regular ending. But if you play it on Legendary, you get the regular ending plus.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. That's some fucking bullshit, man. How the fuck
are you
gonna
see Master Chief's face?
That? Oh my
Halo
god.
4.
That's some fucking bullshit. That is some total fucking bullshit. Oh, well, here's the story, except it's not the actual fucking story because we hid it behind a difficulty level? You've gotta be fucking kidding me.
No, it's just one tiny scene, and it's a teaser. That's all they are in the Legendary.
I mean, that teaser is important. The teaser is important, isn't it?
You know what else is a teaser? This behind the curtain scenes that
God damn it.
people got to see. Welcome everybody to
what the hell?
Hi, Squirrel.
Hi. Hello.
You made it.
Yeah. No. Okay. What the hell is this ranting? Like, what is this about?
Halo.
It started with Halo.
God.
One person knows Halo. One person thinks they know Halo. You decide.
Oh, I'm not saying a damn thing. I am saying nothing.
It all started because I'm saying delay infinite because they're not releasing a full fucking game.
I'm in the middle of a show. Squirrel. Pitchy says hi. Jesus Christ, this is a fucking
hugs and kisses to my favorite unicorn.
Yeah.
Hello, chat. How is everybody? Okay, so this is a Halo rant. Okay, I came in and I was like, wow, there was so much rage.
So much rage.
The lore of it. Because Zod's like, the Forerunners never existed. And I kept telling them they fucking existed.
I said they
you said no one knew what they were.
I said they were never alluded to in the story. And it felt like they were shoehorned in just to continue a series that was, in my mind, good at 1, 2, and fucking 3. Why we have to go to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or fucking 10 at that point is just about milking the Halo tit.
Delicious Halo milk.
Now I really want to make
one. No, I'm from Wisconsin. I didn't know that there was such a thing as Halo milk, and I will try this fucking milk. I don't even care if it looks like the green Luke Skywalker, Ryan Johnson bullshit milk.
Oh,
speaking of which, let me say hi to everybody in the chat.
Hello.
That was a terrible fucking segue. Rebecca left, but Rebecca, if you watch this on the replay, hi, our favorite cat. I was going to say kitty cat, but that sounded pretty.
Yeah, I heard that edit. I heard this remix before.
I was like, I feel like an adult needs to be called after I say that. Planet Q's Queen, how are you doing? We've got fanfiction 1, who I haven't seen you here, but I loved your comment, and I'm just going to highlight it because they came in hot.
Hot?
They said, hold on. They said, where the fuck was it? It was something about what if. Right here. They said, what if? No. What grift? Spot the grift. Yes, I'm with you, sir. I don't know who you are, but thank you, sir or ma'am, because we don't gender assume here on the channel. My favorite Jenny. What up, Jenny Godden? Rose, how are you? Good to see you. Jasmine, good to see you. Christine, good to see you. Patty, how are you? Mm-hmm. How's everybody doing? We got a wild night. I'm
doing good.
I can actually talk Johnny Depp again because there's actual new developments.
Look.
Yeah. Look, I'm not one of these channels that I love that's like a brother to us from Australia where they can cover every fucking thing in the universe, because I swear to God, he is talking to Johnny Depp about some of this shit. I'm not Stevie. Stevie's got an inside line. I don't know. Everybody loves Australia.
It doesn't exist, though. That's what somebody said.
Right.
Some British guy said that too, but I do like to cover the important milestones. And this is an important milestone because we're just going to jump into this fucker because I got a lot of articles and
I found
and I want to get to most of them before PB
fucking
sleeps.
name.
Hi, Ancient One. Sorry.
Johnny Depp's court case against Amber Heard proceeds despite the actress' request for dismissal. Now, let me just ask you guys before I read this. Was anybody fucking surprised that this? Like, I feel like this was a stall tactic because I know she does stupid things or seemingly stupid things, but I feel like this is just stalling to see if they can run Johnny Depp out of money. That's my personal opinion. I think her lawyer's plans are to see who can last financially. That's
I think she did it because she was recovering from plastic surgery.
I think she's a fucking $2.
Oh.
I think we're both right. Yay!
You know what?
Definitely.
You know what, though? I'm not right. I would like to apologize to all the $2 whores that I have offended here on the channel.
That's true. She's a
You
more
guys-
like what, a nickel?
Whoa. I'll give her a solid 2 Abe Lincolns.
What an insult to Abe Lincoln.
And I want to point something out that a lot of people pointed out to me, and it seems to be a thing. I remember, do you guys remember? PB should remember because to his dread, we've been covering this for a while. I remember when big sites weren't picking this up, but we're on Fox Business now. This was trending on other major news sites. Do you guys get the feeling like they're trying to cover their ass here if something goes wrong? Because the big sites are actually reporting accurate, which means either they've seen the light and they've come over to our side, which Jesus Christ is on earth and we're all going to die, or they're trying to cover their ass and they don't want to be on the wrong side of this. So I'm starting to notice these big companies kind of siding with Johnny Depp and actually reporting facts instead of just going, we heard that he abused her through whoever that fucking clown was with the fucking sandals. God,
Hey,
his
Perp.
name.
Perp is here. Hello,
What
Perp.
up, Perp?
Also
What
to
up, Perp?
Anna
Perp.
Holiday.
Perp, tomorrow
Holy
we're gonna
Day?
do that review.
Uh-huh.
MPB, watch fucking Titans.
I told you that I don't have HBO Max, so I'm gonna need you
Okay,
to
I'll
help
give
me
you
out.
my subscription stuff because we're that close, and I know you'd never watch lewd stuff without informing me, or I've watched it before you. The Aquaman star requested Depp Slibel suit.
You know, you're horrifying
Did you
Johnny
just
Depp
say-
right now.
Right? Look at the
That was
face that
perfect
he's
for that
giving you.
comment.
He's
like,
judging you.
He's
Like,
like, this
oh.
motherfucker. Look, this was for my comment. Hold on. He's like, what is this guy doing? No guy. Okay, so the Aquaman star requests Depp's libel suit loss stand as a reason to toss the defamation suit. Now, here was where this was a grossly stupid statement. He lost in another fucking country on an unrelated suit because what he sued the Sun for was slander in a newspaper. He's going after Amber Heard for writing an op-ed, and one, she broke an agreement not to talk about it, which they signed, and she got a settlement for, and two, she fucking slandered him too. So these are two very different lawsuits, and I don't understand her legal counsel. Like, some stuff she does I can see as manipulative, but her legal counsel seems like a bunch of fucking idiots. I don't understand.
Jenny, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Jenny got in said that this was Amber's third time trying to get this case canceled.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry.
Did you fucking think that
Canceled.
3 times was a charm? Like, that's how the court system works, Amber? Like, how much wine are you drinking? I
All of it.
really like.
Except for the wine that made all of the stains that are all over the floor. She didn't drink that stuff. Oh wait, she did.
And apparently it was invisible because the cops never found them.
Dude, that was the whole point of my fucking joke. Why would you step on it like that?
Because
and all of the wine that made the spots on the floor. There are no fucking spots on the floor because she drank it.
Okay,
Fucking
well,
A.
to my defense, it's
No.
been a long day and I drank a little bit. Continue.
When did your day start? My day started at 6:20 in the fucking morning, mate.
Oh, well, whoop-de-fucking-do. Would you like me to get you a fucking medal?
I would like to, actually. I would love to finish first and second at the same time. They can have that shit bronze medal.
Welcome, everybody, to Late Night Talks. We're so glad to have you here.
It is Anne Holyday. That's how you pronounce her last name. Okay,
Holy
sorry,
day.
Anne. Who is
Anne?
eating? Perp, that is Zod. Zod is eating. Yes, he is.
Of course.
I'm eating lasagna, and I don't regret that decision at all. Johnny Depp has scored a win in his.
At least it's not cheesecake.
Mm.
Oh, it'll be later because.
Ugh, I hope you got new
is-
cheesecake.
Oh, I got new cheesecake. Bitchy made me throw out the other one. I cried and died a little
Sad
bit.
times.
You know, PB understood me. This was one time we agreed, right, PB? Like, you can't.
Dude,
fucking
you
make
got.
cheesecake.
I said you just start in the middle and work your way to the outside. When you hit the fucking penicillin, you stop.
Yeah, see, I just went past the penicillin. I got.
Oh fuck, man! You're not supposed to eat that fuzzy penicillin. It doesn't work that way.
I know. Mistakes were made, but we learned a lesson that night.
Oh my god.
We learned a valuable lesson for life.
Cool. Zoom in on these words.
Hi, Laura B.
Hi,
She says
Laura.
hello to everybody. But Jenny got in and said she slandered him first, and then she broke the NDA first. Yes,
yeah,
she
exactly. Thank you, Jenny. Jenny's got a great head on her shoulders, and that's another thing that I don't hear a lot of people talk about. I'm gonna click back here for a second because I'm gonna switch this fucked up screen. Because why the fuck did I not?
That's
do
fine.
it in the
I
right
don't know because you're a putz. I have a quick question for everybody, just real fast. If you can have a good head on your shoulders, how come nobody ever talks about having a good set of shoulders under your head? Food for thought.
did. What the fuck?
But I agree with Jenny because the one thing I don't hear a lot of people talking about is the angle of the MDA and why that isn't been brought up because Squirrel, I'm gonna call you legal Squirrel for these intents. Legal Squirrel. You should make like a little suit or something. Okay, so legal Squirrel.
Oh, yeah. The only thing I have is a potato right now. Yeah.
Perfect.
Why would they not use this as a good source of contention and even attack her credibility? Because I imagine NDAs were signed just by what I'm gathering. Why wouldn't this be in the forefront? Because he's going after the slander
Holy
thing,
fuck.
sure, but I'm pretty sure NDAs were signed. And why aren't they bringing that up? Because she broke that. If they both signed something or there was an arrangement legally, I'm assuming, because knowing Depp, a lot of things went through legally. I would just bring up, hey, Your Honor, she broke this NDA by doing this op-ed.
It'll come up.
Literally months later.
I think they want her to hang herself a little further. You know what I'm saying? Like now it's in the United States. Now it's going to be fun. So I think they're just going to they're going to keep stringing it out a little longer and let her open her mouth basically and try to make some claims or rebuttals. It'll be fun. Believe me, this is going to be fun. In the end, this will be. I hope. My positive optimism is that this young lady is going to meet her maker in the court of law. That's my optimism.
She was the worst witness I've ever seen take a stand, and I lived through OJ and Cato. I never thought in my life there would be more of an unreliable witness than Cato Kalin, but clearly I had not lived long enough, and now here we are. PurpMinded said Squirrel at law, and then law and Squirrel. Dun dun
Dun dun.
But I mean, this is
Hmm.
this is really interesting to me, and I think that is a lot of Johnny's defense. I think he is just letting her hang herself
Oh yeah.
with
Yeah.
a large amount of rope. Like, the media has done the biggest pivot I've ever seen.
Wait, if you hang yourself with a large amount of rope, you'll just land on the floor.
I mean, either way, it's gonna hurt.
What do you mean? You're hanging yourself. You want a short rope.
I guess it depends on the distance. You can catapult somebody too.
I was not 2 years
Trebuchet.
old during OJ, but thank you for the compliment.
Hey there, Mega Jetty.
I'm
What's up, Mega
fucking
Jetty?
37 right now. Are you kidding me, guy?
Funny Q's Queen says because she would have to give back all the money to Johnny if she broke that NDA. So yeah, she's wondering the same thing.
Yeah, that's like a question that I noticed nobody has been answering, because it's pretty relevant. Like, I find it curious no one's brought it up, and I'm starting to think that it might be brought up
What's
in
a
the trial
first?
setting, because that would be, for me, like the smartest play. Like, I could just picture a day of maybe Amber getting a one-up and then the NDA being brought out, and then Amber being like, oh yeah, I signed one of those. I forgot that there's actual like law behind that, and I wasn't supposed to, write a fucking op-ed, because that would be talking about what I agreed to legally not talk about. Wow, tailor-made for one size. Fancy.
Not a paid advertisement.
The two have been involved in their fair share of courtroom drama since Heard, 35, accused Depp of abusing her. Depp took a hit in the UK courts that I'm pretty sure are corrupt recently after the judge denied his lawsuit against a news publication that called him a wife beater. After the UK ruling was announced, Heard requests that Depp's defamation suit against her be tossed. However, the ruling made on Tuesday, a judge declined Heard's request, allowing the $50 million suit to move ahead. In the courtroom documents obtained by Fox Business, the suit will proceed because it is inherently different. Thank you very much. I'm glad this judge has good sense from the UK case, despite both containing accusations of the Pirates of the Caribbean star being an abusive partner. Chief Judge Penny S., not going to attempt that, elected to drive a larger wedge between the two cases because differences between American law and UK law, allowing one to prop up the other, the judge said, would create a chilling effect and could create a dangerous precedent. I love you, Judge. I love you a lot. That is, I have hope, because that is exactly what should be said in this case. One does not have to do with the other. Amber, they're a different fucking country. Are you kidding me, you dumb twat? Like, I don't understand. Oh, shit, like, this, I'm sorry, guys. I gotta drop the C word, but she is a cunt with a capital C if there ever was one. Like, big old C. Like, you know how they do the scarlet letter? She got the scarlet C that she should carry around, because I have never met such a massive cunt. Like, that word was created, and if you probably look in the dictionary, you would see Amber Heard's face right there.
Petty R says, once it's proven defamation, then won't it be easier to prove that the NDA was broken? I guess it depends on the terms of the NDA, of what was included in that. And it's one of those tricky tightropes, because it depends on what it is, That'd be interesting, though. That would be oh man, I'm telling you. I would be like, yeah, that'd be really interesting.
I would look at it this way and say, I don't know if it's going to help, but it definitely will not hurt.
Correct. Yeah.
No, I mean, to take this to court in the first place, and I said this from the beginning, if you have nothing to hide, take it to court. Now, who's trying to get it?
Put it on the basketball court. Play to 100.
I agree. And clearly, Amber does not want to see this play out because Johnny isn't trying to get the case thrown out. And look, there'll probably be some stuff that comes out about Depp, but clearly it's not enough for him to worry about it because this chick is fucking up his career.
This is going to be so magnificent because really what he's doing is biding time here because, yeah, it is as simple as, because Jetty was saying all he has to do is pull out the NDA and pull out the articles and it's already proven. Well, to a point, once again, it's an NDA. There's a lot of stuff there that we don't know because I don't believe that that's been made public. So, meaning what their, terms were.
Right.
Because it could have been mutual NDA terms for both of them. So what they're doing is biding time and letting her, just letting her take the rope and let her keep running, So.
Well, I have a question because I'm not entirely sure. The case in the United States is currently active, right? Like it's already technically begun, but we haven't made it to the next stage per se. Right?
Right.
Yeah.
That's fair.
So at what point, and I think that they would already be at that point, do you get to the discovery phase? Because then you get all of the communications that happened in this time frame.
Where are we at right now in this case as far as hearings and all that? Where are we at right now?
Because of the apocalypse, they had to push the dates. So we're not to trial yet. She's been trying to do all this shit before it goes to trial. So I believe
that's right. That's what you're supposed to do. My question is, when do we get to the discovery phase? Because there should
be during trial.
No, it'll be before the trial. You need all of that for the trial.
So we've already had an evidentiary hearing then?
Yeah, I would have to. I'm not legal Zod, so I would have to.
Oh, Patty Arce's discovery is still going on.
Okay. I'm a criminal, so that goes against my thing. But she said Patty Arce's discovery is still going on. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what they've discovered. And Rose says, I wish this would be televised. Talk about reality TV. They're still going through discovery depots, etc. So yeah, the discovery part. Now, here's where it gets really great. The judge also gives her another verbal judo by saying, also said that the court is not persuaded by Heard's argument that Depp had a full and fair opportunity to litigate the UK action. Oh, smackdown, in your face, corrupt judges. And she also called Heard's argument especially and nonsensical.
How many lines are you going to steal from the Great One?
A lot if you smell what I'm cooking. The ruling.
My God.
Yeah, I don't want to smell what Zod's cooking.
That was good. I liked it a lot.
Tainted cheese.
The ruling wasn't all good for Depp, however, as the judge also denied sanctions requested by the Oscar nominee against his ex-wife's lawyers for filing the motion to scrap the suit. Depp has kept a relatively low profile in recent months, speaking out just days ago for the first time since losing his libel case. In an interview with the Sunday Times, he called his reputation decline and absurdity of media mathematics. And I agree. You know what the absurdity is, Johnny? The absurdity is you got caught up in this bullshit #MeToo movement, and now I'm gonna fucking suck in the sweet fucking joy of when this whole thing blows up in their face and they realize that fucking women can lie too, and they gotta be like, Oh my God, what? Innocent, sweet Amber, who's got a history of being a fucking cunt on her sets and being abusive and a horrible person in general, was actually the abuser? Men are victims. Fucking heads are gonna explode all around the internet because they can't process that because all men are fucking evil these days. I can't fucking wait. I can't wait for this shit to just come out there, and I hope Johnny leads a movement called #Men2. I will back you behind that, sir, because fuck these cunts that sit here and use people who have real fucking issues for their own gain because they're fucking 35 and irrelevant and haven't done anything worth a damn in their whole fucking career, and they gotta ride the #MeToo train to fame. How is that working out for you, Amber? How the fuck is that working out? How was your last movie? That's right, it fucking bombed. Remember the last independent film? No, you don't, because I didn't even know there was another fucking movie out with Amber.
She does movies?
Apparently. And how was that fucking trash fire that is the fucking Stand? Oh my God, I gotta click off of this.
Basically, no. So hold on. Oh, you fucking bastard. Open that back up. Quickly.
Why? All it says
because
on the bottom.
It says at the bottom of the fucking screen that counting cars isn't real?
No, all it says is, in the interview, the star exclaimed Hollywood is exercising.
Oh, God. Bring the fucking page back up, guy.
Oh, my God.
Hello, real
No, he
Captain
has to
Jack.
bring the page up because he won't believe it. Just like he doesn't believe what I said. And I have fucking evidence right now in the back room, and he won't click it.
The forerunners are bullshit.
No, it's not.
See,
I have the clip.
It's not there anymore. It was in the middle before. It said counting cars isn't real. Now it says Jeff Bezos is a giant douche. Damn it.
Yeah. I also wanted to bring up one other thing, too. That
Husky
Johnny
was right,
Depp called
and he
the
doesn't want
guys
to prove
out
it.
on. And I wanted to get your guys' views on this because I think there's a lot of validity. The film director is calling this out. So the new movie, Minamate, based on a journalist, Eugene, forgot his last fucking name. I'm sure the whole chat knows who I'm talking about. Great movie, by the way.
The journalist's name is Johnny Depp, isn't it?
Yeah, basically. But it's a great movie about Japan and shit that was going on there. But anyways, it was a great film. He played a journalist based on a true life story, right? The fucking studio tried to bury this movie. Right? The director came out and said the studio was purposely pushing back the date. And what did the fucking studio go with? Can you guys guess? Can you guys guess what card they played? Who knows what card they played?
COVID.
What? Who would ever? You mean a scumbag studio uses a pandemic for an excuse of not releasing a movie?
What wasn't that the only excuse for the movie last week? I wasn't on the stream, and then like the Free Guy movie, the Ryan Reynolds movie, was doing really fucking well. Eh? Yeah, I've heard that. I want to watch that Ryan Reynolds movie.
No, Husky, it's not doing well. Nothing's doing well because the vids got everything.
Hi, Carmen. Hi, Carmen, and hello,
Hi, Carmen.
Hey, Carmen.
Hi, Karen.
Good to see you.
But those two shouldn't come in at the same time because it's a tongue twister.
I was like, Carrie, no.
So, like, yeah, I read this article, and it's a whole big thing. The director threatened to sue the studio.
Whoa. We got, how come Squirrel's the only one in the chat that got 2 hearts?
We're not
because the chat loves Squirrel. We
told you were the
Squirrel's
favorite.
a fan favorite.
Aw, I appreciate
it. It's because we came on arguing about Halo. I'm sorry.
And I have the evidence that proves that I am right, and he refuses to show it.
We're going to get to that evidence. We're getting to that evidence.
We're taking depositions right now.
The case will be out in December. The people versus the Forerunners.
Laura
not
B.
real.
Laura B's all
Admit
about
it.
those depositions too. She'll be like on
Said
it.
they never and before we do this, we gotta make sure. He said they never alluded to it at all.
Never, not once.
Never. Not mentioned it, nothing.
I'm gonna go back and play those, and if I come across it,
He's gonna fucking show you.
It's assault on the control room. That's the scene I got. It's the ending cutscene of assault
Well,
on the control room.
this doesn't.
Oh
prove
yeah,
shit.
right. Now shut up.
Okay. We will.
This ring. It's Forerunner. Give me a second to access.
So did you hear it? Did you hear her say Forerunner? Motherfucker. You said they didn't say shit. She said Forerunner.
Thank you,
They
Carmen.
still weren't alluded to as. You know what?
There's
I reject your hypothesis.
That's not a
Oh.
That's a fucking evidence.
I reject your hypothesis. Therefore, your evidence is irrelevant.
I fucking shoot
Oh.
somebody dead and Zada be like, no, he's alive. I saw him.
Rose Matter sent some hearts for all the gents.
Oh, thank you,
Ooh.
Rose.
I'm gonna claim all of those except for one, and then Husky can have that one because he is right about the Forerunner.
Speaking of, we were just getting on the talk of the zombie apocalypse. Let's talk about.
Yes,
my
this
favorite-
is the one that I wanted to talk about.
Let's talk about my favorite witch,
Fuck yeah.
the OG Sabrina Spellman. Although I will not lie, Netflix Sabrina Spellman's pretty fucking good.
Fuck
The
that.
show is fucking terrible, but she's pretty good as
Don't care.
a young.
Don't care. This is Sabrina.
Anyways,
And she moved to Toledo.
Melissa Joan Hart disappointed with herself after getting lazy and contracting the apocalypse.
The vid.
Or the vid. We're just gonna call it the vid. Fuck you, YouTube. So this is, before we get started, I take real issue with this title. I understand with her saying disappointed in herself for getting it, but where does the lazy come in? Like,
She got fully vaccinated.
Did you read the article?
no, I'm just going off the headline. No, I didn't.
So I'm
read
just
it.
wondering if maybe because she listened to the exceptional advice to, hey, if you get vaccinated, you don't need to wear a mask when you go out in big groups of people. I don't know. That's my first thought.
No, you're supposed
you
to
read
wear
the
a
article,
butt plug.
Squirrel?
It's a butt plug.
I read this same. Let me say this. I read the same headline and topic on another website. So this is the Independent. So this might actually have more. So
Yeah, it has a bunch
I
of
never
information.
questioned Squirrel's
Continue,
knowledge.
Dylan.
She's our resident vid expert. I'm scared and sad and disappointed in myself and some of our leaders. We're talking about you, Sleepy. And Sabrina, the Teenage Witch star, said, what did she say? Fuck, I hate when they do that. And they just jump down to the bottom. Fuck you, ad, okay? I don't want to know about what the fuck was going on there. Melissa Joan Hart. Melissa Joan Hart has expressed disappointment in herself after getting lazy and contracting the vid. The Sabrina the Teenage Witch star posted an emotional video to her Instagram Thursday, August 19th, in which she revealed she is bedridden and struggling to breathe due to the illness. What the fuck? I will not. I will register later. Don't bug me. Oh, are you fucking serious, Independent? Are you fucking serious?
They're not.
would you like a new article?
Oh, no, because the Independent will not snub me. Now I'm determined.
Oh, God.
Everyone
The
witness.
The Sabrina Teenage Witch posted a video. Hart is fully vaccinated. It said that she is really mad because we tried and we took precautions and we cut our exposure by a lot. She continued, but we got lazy. And I think as a country, we got lazy. And I'm really mad that my kids didn't have to wear masks at school. I'm pretty sure that's where this came from. And nothing I can do about it now. The actor
The
who's
actor.
I was whoa! I had one of those moments.
ADD moment. You started watching Scott talk there.
Yeah, I was like, wait, what is Scott ranting about?
We could tell. You could tell that ADD moment there. Congrats.
At least he didn't fall asleep and keep reading.
Oh, thanks for having me, Planet Q's Queen, by the way.
The actor whose credit includes sitcoms Melissa and Joey and Carissa Explains It All. Loved that fucking show.
I know that she was still Sabrina. She just moved to Toledo. It's the same thing. I watched the Halloween episode. Right. It's connected.
Yeah. You know what? I think we might have an MCU ahead of its time. They were all connected, man.
Just those two shows.
Also expressed her fears that her health may impact others. So I got a lot of feelings about this, but I'm going to let everyone talk first because I have to use the lavatory. Yeah, Jesus I said it. Christ. Fuck off.
He has to use the potty. God.
He's got to go sit on his throne.
Yeah, there's a lot of stories right now I've been hearing around here about vaccinated people giving it to each other without even realizing it. Hello, Keely Chow.
Yeah. What's up, Keely?
So I mean, it's
Man,
one of those things.
Everybody in this chat got fucking tuberculosis, right?
Yeah, we probably do.
Yeah, well, okay. Oh no, you guys got tuberculosis now.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like, be safe. That's just the common sense thing. Like, there's so many
Punch someone in the face. That's great.
See, yeah.
To what level do you want to take the safety? Like, if you are fully vaccinated, which I would say, what science are you following? But it's more like, what storyline of science are you following? Because I would guess that she was doing everything the proper way. They said, who the fuck was it? I'm pretty sure Fauci was like, no, it was Uncle Joe that came up with the Max, no mask.
Yeah. Well, of course, that was a political thing. They were trying to dangle a carrot out there and encourage people to get vaccinated. So it was kind of like, oh, look, see, if you do this, then you don't have to wear a mask and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. And that was how the media was spinning it at the time, was that if you get it, you're less likely to be hospitalized for, and you're less likely to have symptoms of this or that or the other.
Those things are true.
Partially, yeah. I think it depends on the individual. I think I think that's in general,
what you said, I think, is perfect. It's partially true. And the problem, I think, with that on the other side of the coin is everything that we've been told is partially true. Everything. Like, every time you hear a new piece of information, you're like, okay, this one part in the middle is the same as before, so there must be consensus on that. But everything else around it has changed a little bit. So now I'm skeptical. I mean, when you have the person at the front for months say, you don't need a mask, you don't need a mask. And then it's, you absolutely need a mask. And then it's, you know what, 2 masks is better than 1 mask. I was like, wait a second. If that's the case, to what level are we going to take this? Like, you might as well take that trillion fucking dollars that you're trying to spend and just go out and purchase hazmat suits for all of us, and you can send one to everybody, and they don't go bad. So if you have a little child, you put the little child in the little hazmat suit, and when that child grows up, and then you have another child, you put that one in a little hazmat suit, and then we'll all be safe from ever fucking contracting anything ever again, except that's not how fucking viruses work.
Correct.
Especially respiratory viruses, because the virus wants to exist and replicate itself. And if it's passed from person to person and it kills everybody, how would it be able to pass itself along? It's not trying to kill everybody. It is just simply existing. And it's never going to go away.
I would like to point out something too
Hmm.
that everybody seems to be skipping over is that this is called a vaccine. Now, I'm not fucking scientist side. I don't have a degree in any kind of science shit. I liked it as a hobby, but to my recollection, a fucking vaccine is supposed to get rid of or kind of start to die down the virus. So if this is your vaccine, right, and people are pitching it, like you'll be great. After max vax, you can go anywhere, right? That's what they were saying. And yet this star still got sick. There was the incident I talked about that Joe Rogan stated where a comedian got 14 people in the fucking crowd sick. So
Man, there's been a lot of celebrities getting sick.
So
It's funny as hell.
Hold
I laugh
on,
every
hold
time.
on, Husky. Let me finish. The thing that they're peddling is that this is a vaccine. This is not a fucking vaccine. You're not curing this. This is literally a flu shot 2.0. Because what do we do with the flu? We take a shot that we got to take yearly and fucking booster shots or whatever the fuck. So this isn't, you're selling this to people as if it is stopping something or even lessening something. But I saw the picture of her. Her side effects did not look like they were less. And she even stated that kind of in her video.
This is
I watched the video.
This is, I'll point this out. It's just a passing comment. Like oh man, yeah, I just lost my thought. See, that's what happens. I was about to go on a tangent. No, see, I think with the vaccine, we're looking at mutations. So mutations break a window instead of going through the front door. So that means you're still going to get infected. The question is, how severe will those symptoms be? Who knows? Because the flu changes every year as well. That means, I mean, if we were to ask what was the OG strain of the flu, it probably doesn't look anything like it does now. But it's still very
Spanish flu.
well. Yeah, but there's so many different variations and mutations. That's the one we have on record is the Spanish flu, but that may not be the very first flu. So I'm talking about the OG flu. How long has the flu been around? So
I don't know, 500,000-600,000 years.
Right. So the coronavirus, most coronaviruses, we don't have a quote active perfect vaccine for a coronavirus. So this is very much the same kind of method. We still have the human flu, we still have human colds, and all these other things in that tree. The difference with the with COVID-19 is the way that it affects it's a cardiovascular attack. There was a really wonderful study that was done from an institution out of San Diego. Damn, I have the article saved, but they did a huge study trying to figure out how COVID interacts with your system and how it's different than, let's say, the common flu or a cold. And this is way more aggressive because it gets into your nerve system and your neurology, your spinal fluid. It does a lot of damage depending on your pre-existing conditions or current, whatever you want to call it, conditions. So my question is, though, about the vaccine in general, is when are they going to sell this for children? Because it's coming. I mean, the pediatric impact, especially with schools.
I'll tell you something right now. I would never. And look, you guys all know. On a serious note, Father Zod, my daughter's over actually this weekend. I'm gonna spend time with her on Sunday because Grandma Zod will kill me if she doesn't have her little Zod time. Which I'm like, go ahead, because she's 14 and I don't know how to do
Hi,
that shit.
Keely.
She's 13.
Whatever, she's a teen. That's out of my realm. Anyways, she's getting emotion about fucking stuff. Okay, comes in the car and 1 minute she's fucking happy and then the next minute she's sad because her friend's leaving. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I'm just along for the fucking ride. So, anyways, this is my whole thing. I would never, ever, and people can say what they want to about my fathering skills based on this, but I would never do that because I feel like they are using us right now for guinea pigs. And that's what it feels like. And look, I've said this several times because I know this is a hot button issue. And I know maybe for some people out there, it makes you feel safe. And if it does, I don't disagree with that. What I do disagree with are these fucking assholes I see that are telling me that I'm a bad person because I choose not to go along with this whole thing till I make sure no one's going a third fucking head or, dying from a side effect. That's just me. I don't condemn a choice, but what I feel like is happening, it's becoming we're being tested and people are to gain money off of this as opposed to actually giving a shit about stopping something that could kill people and has killed some people, not the numbers that I believe they say, but I know people personally who got very sick, some people hospitalized. So it's no joke.
Yeah.
And trust me, guys, I don't take this as a joke. This is fucking serious. This is why I'm talking about it on this channel, because I feel like it needs a logical discussion. At the same time, there's political shit behind this, which one way or the other, no matter what you believe, it's not right to profit off of that. And two, people forget the most corrupt entity behind this whole thing.
Pharmaceutical companies.
Big Pharma.
God damn it, guys! You just took the wind out of my
Yeah. Oh, I love my favorite one was the Tuskegee experiment they did.
Okay, the pharmaceutical companies are the biggest pieces of shit on God's green earth. And my mom worked for a tech lab. If you guys don't know, Mom Zod is actually pretty smart. She worked for a pharmaceutical company. She made penicillin. And she even said pharmaceutical companies are fucking douchebags. So, so here's the thing. I believe that this is being capitalized on, and I think we're giant fucking guinea pigs. And I don't think any of these motherfuckers, A, know what's going on based on the contradictory information we've been getting from all these fucking sources. And two, I think that there's a lot of money to be gained in this.
Well, here's something interesting is that the FDA here, they're expected to give the approval for this Pfizer vaccine on Monday. That's what's going around on New York Times, and a few other media websites are picking it up now. And if it does get FDA approval, whoop-de-fucking-do. The FDA already, I mean, there's so many things that's wrong with the FDA in general of what they've approved, whether that's electroshock therapy or or the Alzheimer's drug that they refused to approve. I mean, in the winter, and it suddenly got approved, and then the FDA panel, if somebody were to look this up, they lost several members on their FDA panel that make the decisions about approval because they were so disgusted about this approval of this Alzheimer's drug. This was very recent, within the last, I would say, 4 months, 5 months. And so, that doesn't do much for me. For me, I'm looking at side effects and long-term effects because there's a lot of different strokes for different folks. And, I have friends that are vaccinated and happy. And I say, you know what? I'm glad that you had the opportunity and the access to get whatever you wanted to get, because that's the big one, right? Is being able to get the specific one that you want. Hello, Bitchy Unicorn. And also a couple comments here in chat. Sorry, I'm scrolling back. Laura B said that at the moment in schools, there's the highest circulation of the beer bug. Winky, wink, wink, is going on in the schools. And also, Planet Q's Queen said she just lost a coworker today to the beer bug as well. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. That's why I try to tackle this seriously. And speaking of tackling things seriously, Killy Talks, how are you doing, our wonderful, wonderful guest?
Doobie-doo.
Keely, we can't hear you. You're muted, or your microphone is unplugged. There is a technical difficulty. Well,
You
this is a
now.
massive. Oh,
There she is.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry. I don't know why my mic weren't working. I had to mess about with the settings. I'm all right, thank you, Zod. I'm tired a little bit. I've been awake all night. Gary said he's going to be coming in a minute, but I don't know. He might fall asleep. He was happy a minute ago.
Well, I mean, that's nothing new on my channel, so you might as well just fall asleep here.
We'll see her go muted. She'll chill with us.
Yeah, see who goes to sleep first, PB or Gary.
Oh,
What?
hello, Gary.
We'll get a pool going with the chat. Who's gonna fall asleep first, PB or Gary? Let the races
Competition.
continue.
All right, here I go.
Batter up.
Challenge accepted. Throw that bitch.
Oh my god! But no, see, this is why I want to talk about this, because I actually got some positive feedback on the last time we covered this.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say you actually got some vid.
Fuck no.
No.
I have no wood to knock on. But,
No, you're protected with that headpiece.
yeah,
Guys
yeah.
in the chat.
This hat more than aesthetically pleasing.
That's not what it does.
I do want to make a comment. Is
Ooh.
really quick, and this is just for those listening. We know our family knows people that have passed away from COVID or lost children, and parents and things like that. And I do take it seriously, very much so, especially in our area. And a lot of other areas, they're starting to see the impacts, but we've been experiencing it pretty severely down here in South Texas. And just be safe. Even if you're vaccinated or not, please take it seriously. I know it sounds petty and I know it sounds, quote, alarmist, but it is real. Okay. I don't understand how people don't think this is real.
Because it came from Australia.
It's real. Don't take it serious. The weak must die.
Oh my God.
I've been on that case since day one, so I've been on the virus's side since day one.
Hi, Sean B.
People need to die.
Sean.
This
yeah,
one's not
okay.
doing a
Islay.
good job. The Black Plague's making it look like a fool.
That's fact.
The inner anarchist. God
Holy
bless.
fuck.
Oh my God.
Husky, I missed you because there were prime Nazi jokes you could have made last week, because we were legitimately talking about that.
You talked about a bunch of fucking Nazi shit while I fell asleep?
No, it was someone who's being like a Nazi. Looking at you, Bob.
Oh.
But yeah. Speaking of some bullshit and Nazis, I don't know how this segues into China.
It doesn't.
This is a delicious tea.
I mean, you needed to make the fascist connection, but it's fine.
I told you the Nazis aren't fascists.
Oh.
At first, I was like, "Man, it's so lonely without Husky." Now I'm like, "What the fuck? That was I thinking?"
He brings the spice.
Shang-Chi's 10 rings.
Shang.
No, I will never say Shang. Fuck that. It's Shang. I agree with her.
Well, you can both be wrong together. That must be
So
fun.
are these 10 rings cock rings?
First
Oh
off,
my God.
thank you, I support this. Secondly, fuck you.
The 10 cock rings of Asia.
One ring to rule them all. Oh
my
my.
It's a lovely chat we're having, Zod. I appreciate it.
Oh my God. Welcome back, Carter. So this has come under a lot of fire, and with all of the controversies to worry about, I don't know why the fuck, like, they purposely really are trying to sabotage this poor Asian man's film. And I thought we were under the whole stop the Asian hate thing, but apparently not Bobby Boy. He just wants to fucking throw this poor Asian man underneath the bus, back it up, roll it over, kill it, and then bury him in a fucking hole dug by Mickey Mouse. But the Ten Rings
I'm gonna
logo,
dig that motherfucker deeper than you have any idea.
the Ten Rings
The mouse
logo,
only likes Chinese children that make his merchandise.
yeah, we haven't even gotten to that.
They made my Mickeys too.
When Deanna Chadwick created the logos for the mysterious Ten Rings organization as a lead graphic designer for the Iron Man, or for Iron Man, the first film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, she never imagined that the studio would feature it center stage 14 years later. Good on you, women. She also never figured the logo would be the center of controversy. Now, another early complaints that the original art was disrespectful to the Mongolian language. Who gives a fuck? Do you guys realize that the Mongolian army was the most ruthless and fucking piece of shit force that was in
Why you
that?
being mean to Genghis Khan? He was the best one ever, man. Don't be
Husky
mean to
wasn't-
Genghis Khan, you piece of shit.
Genghis
He was a
Khan-
Chad.
God.
He fucked everyone. It was
Bah,
awesome.
bah.
Everyone could keep their religion when they came over. He didn't kill people because they didn't have the same religion. Now
Oh
he
no,
let
he
them
just
have
killed
their
Brady
religion.
pillaged everyone else. What a great guy.
Can I make one
What a great
request?
guy.
Good night, Patty. Patty's heading
Good
out.
night.
She'll
Oh,
watch
night,
the
Pat.
replay tomorrow.
Good night,
Good night,
Patty.
Patty.
Zod.
Yeah.
Can you slide my square up one because I feel like the potato is looking at the dog, not me.
Oh no, I'm looking at the potato's looking at the article.
Oh, okay. I feel safer anyways. You bastard.
No, the dog's can't go near me. The Asian hate. I can't be around that.
You're the one hating on Asians, man. You're hating on my boy Genghis Khan.
For fuck's sake, the Marvel Cinematic Universe. She never imagined the studio would feature 14 years later, blah, 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 controversy now after early complaints that the original art was disrespectful to Mongolian language. There's a change in the design that eagle-eyed fans of the Marvel Cinematic Universe never gave a fuck about, or I'm sorry, may notice in Shang-Chi, The Legend of the Ten Rings, which bows... yeah,
Where-
that's bows, right? Or bows.
Where are you at?
Bows. That's not bows.
I like the fucking word.
Where? Yeah, where?
Bows?
Bows.
Thank you.
Oh,
It was just so meta that I didn't think Variety was capable of that. Because get it? Like you bow when you come into a dojo. Okay. Fucking dojo humor. Fuck.
That's excellent writing, and you fucked it up.
Bows September 3rd. The logo for the Ten Rings organization now features Chinese, not Mongolian letters. Oh, that's so much better. So now...
Boo! Go
Ah.
back to the Mongolian lettering and the Mongolian throat
So
singing,
let's
which is
not
awesome.
be historically accurate. Let's just fucking now put the Chinese lettering, which probably doesn't have the same fucking... And then they wonder why Disney is not welcome in China. I can't imagine.
No, they were welcome in China to film that one movie near the concentration camps.
No, after that. Now,
After that. All right.
because China probably got backlash, and their fucking star came out, and she started running her fucking mouth. Chadwick's original red and black insignia featured 2 crossed swords enclosed by 10 interlocking circles. Was inscribed with the names of ancient Mongolian tribes and traditional vertical script. It became one of the franchise's first Easter eggs, later appearing in Iron Man 3, which I never caught. Good on you, because I caught most of the stuff. The Marvel one-shot All Hail the King, and a deleted scene in Ant-Man. Holy fuck, they had this Easter egg in there for a while?
Wait, was
That's
this
how the
I think I know
MCU
what
does it.
it
It's
is.
all connected, guys. I fucking told you that.
so many Easter eggs get buried in this.
See, Keely gets it.
In the wake
I
of
know which
Iron
one it
Man
is. Let me look it up.
3, in 2013. They're gonna show it, Husky. There's literally a picture.
I know what it is. I found it.
Let me fucking read.
I found it. I found the picture.
No, we're gonna see the picture on my fucking thing because I'm
It
reading.
came up
Husky.
every time before the Mandarin came on, and every time when he went off. I believe that's the one it is, because I believe these 10
Oh,
rings are supposed to be
shit.
the Maklan rings. Yeah,
Oh.
You're right.
remember
The
it now. You
little-
know what it is.
Oh.
You didn't miss it. You're just a putz.
Fuck off. However, the Mongolian government sent an official letter
Oh my god.
to Marvel
Hey, Disney.
Oh, dear.
declaring that the film's use of the Mongolian script is offensively tied the country's intangible cultural heritage to a terrorist group. So fucking ridiculous. In Shang-Chi, the new black and white version of the logo swaps the Mongolian for 10 inoffensive Chinese characters written in ancient seal script, all synonyms for strength or power. Wow, that's so awesome. I'm so glad they made that inoffensive change,
Mhm.
because I'm totally not going to see the movie if they did that. The variation likely helps further differentiate between the current film's version of the Mandarin title character and prior controversial depictions of Ten Rings head honcho, which no one gave a fuck about, and smooths his path into the Marvel Mad China market. For viewers and censors are on high alert for any hints of Fu Manchu and Fin Fang from Esquire racism. What?
Fu Manchu and
Oh, wow, very interesting.
What?
Must curl facial hair while reading this. Yes, yes.
PurpMinded said, Shang-Chi, it's going to be fun. Why can't people have fun? We need to stop listening to headlines and just make a decision for ourselves. Oh
I
my.
agree.
True.
Herb.
Yeah.
Thank you. I agree, because this is a bunch of bullshit, and this is the one Marvel product I will back. I've been backing, and I stand by my first statement I made that it's going to make $1 billion. Fuck all the naysayers. It's going to make $1 billion. And if you don't see it, then you hate Chinese people. Chadwick regrets design.
The Asian hate continues.
Hey, you all heard fucking Zack Snyder's rusing speech with the fandom menace. Oh, I'm sorry. They're not directly connected. I mean, geeks and gamers. My bad.
I don't know what rusing means. Anybody know what rusing means? I know what rousing means, but it's okay.
Design upset Mongolian fans, stating, "Of course, what Mongolian fan? What fan goes?
I grew up in Acton.
Gary's backstage, apparently, he said.
Gary!
Hey Gary, can you hear us? Can you hear me now? How about now?
Yeah, that symbol. With the swords that are cutting motherfuckers.
Oh, there he is.
There's Gary.
We'll try
Hello.
not.
Hello.
Full screen, please.
It's your boy, Fin Fang Foom. I can say this because I am Asian. Okay. And I'm sorry I'm late. My cock rings got stuck. I had to have a husky pull them off for me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It took a little
I just
while.
came back to Husky pulled him off for me because I had to piss.
Oh,
So I don't
exactly.
know what the fuck he's talking about.
Exactly.
And Husky left, Gary showed up. Makes sense.
Oh, I was saying I was late because my cock rings got stuck.
But he had a sled dog to pull him
And I
off.
needed, had to have a husky pull them off. Yeah, I had to crack that whip. Go! Ah! Yes.
Oh man, hell's gonna be warm.
This show is appropriate for all
It
ages.
is. Sorry.
Except for the inappropriate ages. This is not for anybody over 77.
Little palm tree head.
Aw, my palm tree is crooked.
Isley says, pineapple. When Gary was on the screen.
Pineapple, palm tree, whatever rocks your boat.
Oh my.
So now we're going to the apologies that people shouldn't apologize for. Chadwick regrets that her design upset Mongolian fans, stating, "Of course, we tried very hard not to offend anyone because everyone's fucking fifis are offended these days. Everybody needs their hands and cocks held strong."
So,
that
which one's the original one's a Mongolian lettering, though, right?
they're going to show it. We are creating for a worldwide audience, but it turns out that she needed have worried. I am not going to attempt to say that.
Good call.
What the fuck?
Holy fuck. That was a new fucking high right there, guy. Jesus Christ. Hold on a second. Let me rephrase. What I meant to say was, that was one of the best, if not the best, Uncle Joe impressions I've ever heard.
Mongolia's then Minister of Culture, Sports, and Tourism. So, this person's got a fucking in right here, whoever the fuck. We'll call them OT. OT, Mongolia's then Minister of Culture, Sports, and Tourism, who penned the complaint to Marvel, is the one with regrets. Now describes Chadwick's use of the Mongolian as a brilliant choice. Oh, well, way to come out too fucking late, OT. They already changed it. You're supposed to be the minister of fucking culture, sports, and tourism. I don't know how all of those fit together. And you come out at the fucking 5th hour and go, well, you know what? On second thought, it was not as offensive as we thought. What the fuck is going on?
Oh my god.
I don't know, but I really want to know what the miniature of culture and tourism is. That's what you said, motherfucker. I heard you.
Whatever. Last year, China began a crackdown on teaching Mongolian script. Of course they did, because we all know they're the most patient. Oh, I love that. Go ahead, speak, PurpChi. Oh, that's beautiful.
First off, I'll speak when I'm ready to speak. But hello, everybody. You know, I just wanted to come on and say, like, Zod is full of shit, saying that Shang-Chi is going to make $1 billion. Come on.
Hey, say what you want to. $1 billion, a fucking billion.
What movie has made $1 billion this year?
When it cracks $1 billion,
Good night, Carmen.
I want to see Bobby's stupid fucking face. It's an experiment. Fuck you, Bob. Fuck you and the Mickey Mouse you rode in on, you cocksucker.
Cock rings. Oh, good night to Carmen.
Chadwick originally selected this script over Mongolian standard. So
that's gonna be my new safe word. Cock rings.
Whoa! What?
I remember that.
Okay, there's some. And I just watched a review on the 50 Shades of Grey book. Holy
why?
Cock rings. If you guys. Shameless promotion for someone that I don't even know, but my beautiful woman, Bitchy Unicorn, got me into Amanda the Jedi. She's got an amazing channel, and and she talks about 50 Shades of Grey, which, if you guys don't know, was Twilight fanfic. So you can guess the quality writing in those fucking books. And it's fucking magnificent. Oh God.
Did you just say Twilight's magnificent?
No, I said the fucking 50 Shades of Grey fucking original book. What a shit show that is. The adjectives, the fucking adjectives that they use.
Hi, Hen.
Oh my God.
I know Hen was here earlier, but hello, Hen. Sorry, I missed saying hi. I just realized that. My apologies.
But here was the original fucking thing that fucking offended Mongolia, but yet they didn't write a letter about the South Park episode. I don't understand how that works.
Goddamn Mongolians.
Goddamn Mongolians?
And I have the picture of the one that you would have seen in the Iron Man 3 movie,
That
even though
shit
it's
was
blurry because you have to zoom in, and there's not even a better quality one. But that's what it looked like on the TVs.
Hi,
All
Justin.
looking familiar now?
Hello,
Okay,
Justin.
Welcome, Justin, and the 10 cock rings.
Yes, great.
Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing?
Holy fuck.
Why
I'll
do
stop
you have so
sharing
much
the
energy?
screen. Everyone's got it. Everyone's got the image because I'll stop sharing my screen now.
Can see it.
Yes.
All right, good, great.
That
was just
I've
something I
lost
wanted
again.
for a reminder. Oh.
No, the important part is Zod was wrong again because it was in the movie.
Once again, PP, we're right.
Okay.
Iron Man 3 was very important.
Very, very important.
What
I
was
win
important?
again. Iron Man 3.
No, it's not. Tony's dead.
I said it was important
It's not.
for the story. They're literally referencing it in this movie.
Where? They
fuck.
mentioned Trevor in this movie? Where?
Oh, he's going to be there. You fucking know he's going to be there.
He was at the premiere, but I don't think he's there.
That's fine. I got to take a nap now. Justin's here.
Oh, God.
No, the bet was you backward motherfuckers. The bet was who was going to fall asleep first, not who can take a nap back the fastest.
Oh, weird.
Jesus Christ. This is what I work with, people.
You're welcome. Into this.
Hey,
you better be quiet. You're the only one who's getting paid to be here.
Fuck, I am.
Come on.
I'm also being paid and compensated.
Yeah, but Perp only gets paid because I appropriated him, and now I owe him reparations.
No. I'm a free man, but you definitely owe me
now, but
money.
he didn't get his monetization back yet. This is not on YouTube. This is on him. He has to go through the process and make sure he gets the money.
Super chats are not open, are they?
Nope.
What?
Motherfucker. Turn it on.
Turn it on. They need to pay you money.
D.
Suck a D.
He's got a PayPal.
He's got an OnlyFans.
Quentin.
Yeah, let's get.
I don't know any white man, like white people named Quentin. I never met a white dude named Quentin. I never.
There is but one legendary
pen
fucking
name.
Quentin Tarantino. So I want to go into this article because it was brought to me by our friend Nikki Harrison, and she wanted me to touch on this. And I'm a huge fan of Bruce Lee. My first name may or may not have came from there, and my mom didn't give me Bruce because she didn't know if I would be a good martial artist or not. Turns out I turned out fine, but I never got the name. Anyways, that's enough of my pathetic story.
We got an Asian thing
Finally.
going on tonight. What's going on?
Zod legally
I
changes
agree with-
his name to Bruce Lee.
All right.
Wait,
Next
wait.
motherfucker who interrupts me, I'm going to kick them the fuck out. So,
Boom.
Quentin Tarantino.
He's on. He's on.
I'm sorry. The villain. The villain
What,
came out of me.
what did Bruce Lee order when he went to Burger King? A Whopper!
He's just fucking Christ.
Yo, what?
I can't even be mad because that was fucking hilarious. I'm sitting here trying to yell at Gary, trying to be all charming. Quentin
I don't think
Tarantino.
I think
Oh my fucking god! I swear to fucking god, tonight's the night. This motherfucker I can even barely hear, but I just hear him interrupt me. Quentin Tarantino made a controversial statement.
what's the problem?
His
my
voice is so
God.
tiny. It's like a child. Holy shit!
Wait, what's wrong? Am I missing?
It's like his voice is like a tiny Asian. Oh, sorry.
Calling from the past.
So you were saying, Zod, Quentin Tarantino was sucking a dick? That's what the title says. Taking things out of context.
Oh my god!
What happened? What did I do?
Oh my god!
Justin's on the original Edison phone.
Oh, he's on the Graham Bell phone. Even older.
That was a good one.
Story already? We've been waiting here for centuries.
I know. Well, you told us not to interrupt you, so you know we had to.
Justin, I'm in Nantucket. Where are you at?
Wait, I never told you to. I never said that.
Hello.
Zod's in man fucking.
God.
If everybody be quiet.
Okay.
Okay,
So-
I'm gonna mute.
Now,
So we're talking about Quentin Tarantino sucking a dick. That's what the title says. So continue.
Oh, I hope he's not holding anything sharp.
Tonight's gonna be the fucking night. Tonight's the night you're gonna be like, white boy in Wisconsin
White power? What?
goes on a fucking murder and kills. Whoa! Who the fuck threw out the WP?
Me.
I hope it was the only black person on the panel.
It was me.
Oh, thank God.
God. That's what I thought you were gonna say. I was like, whoa, Zod.
No, I'm just relieved. We either need black or Asian representation to say that.
Anyways.
Hey man, if it ain't white, it ain't right.
Oh my God.
Jesus fucking Christ, what is happening?
that was the Asian guy that said that one.
Oh, okay.
The Asian guy named Malachi.
On the panel.
Hey, you got to, because I'd be like, hey, YouTube, look.
Oh, me
look.
training.
Okay, so for the third fucking time.
Oh man.
Oh my
God,
God!
you really do sound like
I can hear you when I can't hear you.
You said you sound like a tiny Asian peavy.
Popper's all whispering in the mic.
Shit.
I'm missing every other word. What the fuck is going on?
Oh shit.
Fuck it. You know what? Fuck it. Why do I have an article right now with this many people? Why the fuck do I have an article? It's fucking impossible.
I don't know, because you wanted to talk about Quentin Tarantino sucking a D.
I want to send a link to someone just to add more to God's chaos.
Quentin Tarantino. Okay, here's the fucking plus notes because you all got the fucking attention span of Dory.
That's a memory problem.
That was a lame ass comeback, but okay, we accept it. But not. You know what would be fun when you do these articles? Completely take them out of context, like we just did, talking about Quentin Tarantino sucking a dick.
And the cock rings.
Exactly. You read my mind. Husky.
What?
Go safe word.
Cock rings.
Zod, that thank you is mostly to you for bringing all of these wonderful people together to talk about Quentin Tarantino sucking a D.
Quentin Tarantino was telling the critics to suck a D. Here's the long story short. Basically, people were getting up in arms because of how Bruce Lee was portrayed. Now, I'm a huge fan before I go into my tirade here.
Do you own any of his movies?
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.
Yes. Even
Okay.
even the one he shot before he died.
Yeah, I got the whole set.
Now here's the
Only
thing.
made 5 movies, guy.
Justin, I swear to God, if you don't shut the fuck up.
Hi, Sherry.
Zod, don't you have the option to mute your panel?
I don't have to mute him though. We could only hear a few words here and there. He just cleverly times them.
So I was trying to silence us. Freedom of speech.
There's a delay from the 1800s.
First Amendment.
He's not
It's
even
not a
speaking.
dictatorship.
It's like a little. It's like his little whisper. It's not even words. Just
He's gonna be
annoying buzz.
Just relax. He's gonna be on his computer in a moment. I heard him get out of the car and walk towards the house.
Yes, put your can
robbing
and
a
your
bank.
string away.
Allegedly.
I heard him
Okay,
getting
so
stabbed.
he'll be on the bank camera.
I am fucking glad though we got this many people on panel. This is like the first time you guys are part of some magic because this is what happens when you put a bunch of crazy motherfuckers onto one panel.
Hell yeah.
Like
I'm
the
not crazy.
Avengers.
I'm pretty normal.
What do you mean?
For normal sake. For normal standards.
Like the last one.
So what?
I rest my fucking case.
So what?
So what?
Who cares? And you like A New Hope, that boring ass piece of shit.
Oh my! Oh.
Jab. Zod takes one across the shin. Is he going to recover?
Excuse me, Zod. Aren't we supposed to be going through the articles?
No.
Oh my god! If I ever
It's
go
like
to
a
hell,
Smurf.
Oh god.
I just sent this link to someone to add to Zod's chaos so he can cry a little more. I don't know if they'll accept it.
Okay, guys. Well, there's no articles now, just craziness because everybody here on this panel has ADD. So
Don't put that on me. Speak for yourself.
He doesn't have ADD. He's just on blunt 9 of 10.
It's this perp chi and the 10 blunts.
Yes.
God, this is getting really racist now. We're talking about Asians and math.
what?
Oh goodness.
I'm not gonna say that. That is too real for this panel.
Say
Good.
Do it.
No, no.
it.
Do it.
Say it. Do it.
You're gonna regret it. Don't do it.
Do it.
What fucking guy?
I'm gonna listen to the 10 blunts on my shoulder.
Oh.
Why are they on your shoulder?
Everybody in the chat put an Asian emoji if you want them to say it.
That's
Like
fucked up.
Coach.
Emoji.
Put a fortune
Is
cookie.
that fake?
Oh, I will show you. Hold on. I think I can find the Asian emoji. Give me a second.
Fortune cookies are banging
No,
though,
they have
by the
one.
way.
You don't need an Asian emoji. All you need is my
Oh,
face. Here we go. Bam.
They have a Chinese flag.
Do it. Do it.
Oh my god,
Do
they
it.
might, Disney
Do
might
it.
promote us after
Do
that.
it.
They'll think,
Here
Hello
is
to-
the Asian emoji. Here we go. Send away. There it is.
All right, we were at the
Just
part
take
where
a picture of my
Dino was
face.
sucking dick. All right, continue.
That's
I
the
heard
Asian
it.
emoji. You see my comments, Ab?
all right, let's see. What the fuck is that?
It is a yellow circle.
I disagree
Oh, man.
with your hypothesis, sir.
Oh, goodness. I love it, PB. That's awesome.
If you're new to Late Night Talks, hi, we're gonna all be fucking canceled after this. So
No,
I ain't gonna be
no,
canceled.
no,
You
no.
can't cancel me. I'm
last and
black.
final show. I mean, purple.
The only people
they
that
don't
are
cancel
getting
black people. But
no, the only people
most
that are going to
certainly
get
will.
canceled are the people on the top row. Everybody else is not as what they call us, a cisgendered white male.
Zod's been canceled since like 2020.
My ears are going bad. I thought you
Not-
said it's ginger white male then.
Perp, it's not
I don't know.
like everybody on the panel here has appropriated or acquired a black man at some point in the past.
Oh my God, it's coming back to haunt you.
You cannot cancel me. You
That's a
cannot
dope-ass
cancel
picture.
me. Ever.
Oh my God, it's Bruce Lee ghost.
I'm not afraid. Yeah. You try to cancel me? I whoop your ass.
Okay, it's reflected. Little Bruce Lee next to Big Bruce Lee is pretty good,
Infinite Bruce Lee.
Indeed.
right?
Hmm.
Oh my God. Good
So,
night,
Zod, are you supporting this movie, Shang-Chi?
man.
or
110%.
Shang-Chi?
110%. And no, don't you convert, perp. I'm on your side. Fuck what they say.
What are you talking about?
Fuck
Oh
that.
yeah,
It's Shang-Chi.
it's Shang-Chi.
It's Shang-Chi. No, fuck that.
Shang-Chi.
We're not going to convert. I refuse to go
It's
by
ma'am.
the standard. Okay, so before you credence started fucking just rambling on, I was
Good night,
going
Hen.
to say
Damn,
big-
Justin.
Yeah, what's that
a
song?
big
Dude.
This
controversy.
motherfucker's going through a wind tunnel.
Fucking
And
mute
shit.
button guy.
Okay,
Thank you.
so a big controversy that has been going on. Oh, that's so peaceful. Sorry, Justin, love you. A big controversy going on is that Quentin Tarantino laid out some facts about Bruce Lee, and a lot of people didn't like him. Now, look, I love Bruce Lee. Fin Fong Foom loves Bruce Lee, I'm guessing, by
Yes,
his
I do.
accurate voice. But Bruce Lee was a bit cocky. And in the movie Once Upon a Time in Hollywood,
Let's go. Can I put my balls in your jaw? Balls in your jaw.
in the movie, Bruce Lee
What the?
Oh,
Way to derail the show. It's a perfect segue.
I wish he kept this camera on. I love his reactions.
No, turn her off. Turn her off. Too much. Too much. My eyes. My eyes. My eyes are bleeding.
In the movie, Quentin Tarantino had a fight between Bruce Lee and Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt plays a stuntman who...
Brad Pimp.
Fuck yeah,
Accurate.
Brad Pimp.
Yep.
Him
Oh my
and
God.
Pitt have this fight, and Bruce Lee gets slammed into this car, and everyone's like, "Oh my God, how can you portray Bruce Lee like an asshole?" Blah blah. Well, Quentin Tarantino pointed out in an actual autobiography written by someone who was a close friend of Bruce Lee, followed him around on set and all of this shit. It was well known that Bruce Lee was a dick to stuntmen. He didn't think that they were, I don't know another way to say it, man enough. So he portrayed that in the movie because this is a portrayal of things that happened in that time. Just like with this whole Sharon Tate thing. They got mad and they go, well, how come Margot Robbie doesn't have that big of a role in the film? Well, did you fucking idiots watch the film? It's not about Sharon Tate. It's about fucking Hollywood in general and Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio.
Right. It's like, did they not watch the trailer? Because like, there's two people that they mainly focused on. It's about them.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was the whole fucking point. The whole point was the focus of the movie was just about events and things taking place in Hollywood, but that wasn't the story. The story was about Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio, and Leonardo DiCaprio was basically an aging actor as the golden era of the leading man was dying out, and it's about him coming to the realization
There you
that
go.
he's got to accept that things are changing and he's not going to get the roles he used to get, and it's him trying to come to grips with that. But what did the media do? They were like, oh, why did you only give like Margot Robbie 2 speaking lines, and why did you make Bruce Lee look like an asshole? And it's like, I took things that happened, but that's not the story. It was more of a look at Hollywood in that time period. And
Yeah.
at the end, they wind up doing a what if thing with the whole, spoilers. I mean, God, it's been out for a year now. So,
Yeah.
but anyways, basically the scenario was, what if they attacked these guys instead of Sharon Tate? They attacked their house by accident. What would happen? And, would they still be alive? Whatever. But a lot of people came out pissed off. And I think that
People are dumb.
people are so fucking stupid in this media age. Like, that's where he came out and he's been saying these things. Like, all of these people can suck a dick. Like, Quentin Tarantino has been doing this shit, and it's well known. When he does a movie, if he does like an era piece, he does research on it. He might put his own spin on the history just to make it kind of fun or whatever. But he does do research into whatever he's studying. He did it for Django. He did it for Inglourious Bastard.
Yeah.
He's a very thorough director. And that's why he's saying he's doing one more movie and getting the fuck out. And you know what? I don't blame him. It's a shame. Quentin Tarantino, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. He's one of my fucking favorite directors. I have seen every one of his movies, including Jackie Brown, which I think is kind of the weakest out of all of them. I love Michael
I
Keaton.
wonder why.
It didn't work out for me. Look, I like Pam Grill, Perp, okay? But that movie was weak sauce.
I don't believe you.
Fuck me. Anyways.
No. That's Bitch's job.
He's got a long... True. He's got a long line of things that he's done. And it really pisses me off that in this era, we have these people asking these stupid questions like, do you know what Quentin Tarantino did? He took, there's some people who are still alive from the whole Sharon Tate thing, right? I think her sister or something. He sent her a letter, took her on set, and let her read the script and said, this is what I'm doing with the story, and I would like your permission to put this in there. Now, there's another director who I want to talk about who did The Haunting of Sharon Tate, and if you haven't seen that movie, check it out on Netflix. It is the most despicable...
Is it a ghost movie?
Oh, no, it's not.
Then why the fuck is it called The Haunting of Sharon Tate?
It's too mind-numbingly fucking stupid for me to put into words. But basically, Hilary Duff plays Sharon Tate. So right there, that should tell you the...
Wait, like, when did this movie come out?
Hilary Duff, really?
That's a terrible
What, you got something against Hilary Duff?
When did this movie come out?
Just not as fucking
As
Sharon
Sharon
Tate.
Whoa. Answer Perp's question.
It's not a haunting. It's a words. She's haunted by premonitions.
I'm used to this by now, PB.
Yes.
I get ignored. You know what I'm
Hold on, let's see what happens if a white guy asks him, when does this movie come out, Zod?
It's already out. It's been out for...
Oh, you racist bastard.
Fucking answers immediately.
Terrible. 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 I feel disenfranchised now. Like,
God.
I'll put a perp emoji in the chat here.
I've been belittled by a man that got his neck snapped by a man that wears underwear outside of his pants.
Those are not underwear, sir. Those are spandex.
Oh my
And Richard
God.
Simmons
Underwear.
used to wear them all the time.
What the
Like,
fuck?
He's a weirdo.
Richard Simmons. I'm a bounty.
Richard Simmons, I'm pretty sure is a serial killer. There's no doubt in my mind.
Oh my God. No. Nope. Nope. I almost went down that rabbit hole. Nope.
Oh,
Nope.
Excuse me.
Oh, Sherry says the haunting of Lizzie McGuire.
So let me show you what we're dealing with. Hold on. I will actually risk the YouTube gods' wrath to show you guys this trailer, and you can see the quality that we're dealing with here.
I mean, you're not getting paid. You don't have the super chat on. You should. You need to get paid. Motherfucker, you need the money.
I should actually have you talk with them, Husky. I'll be like, this is my money man right here.
It's my lawyer. My lawyer.
Stream's gonna get pulled.
Oh, we got pulled. Gosh, damn. We're just talking to the void now. No one's watching.
Okay.
You can mute this. We don't need to hear the sound.
This
Yeah,
guy,
mute the music.
It's all copyrighted.
he used based on true events, and I just want you guys to watch this because there is not one fucking single thing of truth this piece of shit puts in his film, except for the name and some news clips from the actual fucking tragedy. Like, this is the worst, and I don't go there with movies like this is exploitative.
So it's based on a true story like Texas Chainsaw?
No, not even fucking close.
So is this just what is this?
There's no ghost. What's the point?
Oh, it's so scary.
Horrific
Scared the
murders,
shit out of me.
moitas, the horrific moitas.
I have a question. Karen says Richard Simmons has been held hostage in his own home by his housekeeper.
Yes.
But hold on. But is the house clean?
Probably not.
Better be.
It's something that I had no control over. I had absolutely no say-so as to what was happening there. I was just like a tool in the hands of the devil.
Oh, God.
What the hell is this about? So is this
Is
about
this
the
on the
actual murders?
She was in the cult?
This looks like it should be on the CW.
I will after we see this amazing trailer. I will just spoil the shit out of this because no one should endorse this man. He also did something on OJ too, called "The Haunting of
OJ."
No, what was
Nicole?
Nicole? The Haunting of Nicole. This guy's a piece of shit.
Nope.
Oh, so this guy makes Lifetime movies. That's pretty much what you're saying.
Oh, it looks like
Nope. This was funded by a studio. That was the big controversy.
Well, so were the Lifetime movies.
No, this was actually funded by MGM.
What's his fascination with the word haunting?
I don't know. He thinks it makes it sound.
I feel like we're
cool and
watching the entire
mysterious.
movie in this trailer.
Oh, it
probably are.
is.
Wait a second.
I love movies that show me the whole thing in the trailer. Then I don't have to watch them.
Who the fuck is Sharon Tate? Am I supposed to know Sharon?
I know that this is about
his wife.
I know that this is about the Manson murders, but my question is what positioning are they taking on this film? Because it looks like basically a slasher movie, been exploiting someone's death. Stupid ass. This is terrible writing.
Oh yeah. So
this is just terrible filming. The picture quality is
Hillary Duff.
So
sorry to see your stuff.
It pisses me off. So Squirrel, let me give you the whole entire what this movie is about because nobody deserves to see this. Basically, this is, and keep in mind, the director said this was out of respect for Sharon Tate's murder. You're full of shit, sir. This is she gets premonitions of her own death. And what if she saw her death coming and tried to change it? And then at the end of this movie,
is that
this
what it was
dude
about?
shows the murder in graphic detail. Like, I mean, shows her.
horrible.
So the end of this is she's been
Wait, so
having
you
these-
see Hillary Duff getting murked?
Oh yeah, like brutally. All of these people get brutally fucking killed because in the Manson murders.
So in the movie, she sees herself getting stabbed by a bunch of psycho bald women.
No,
I have-
Husky. The Husky. This is serious because this is a really fucked up event. If you guys don't know, Roman Polanski's wife was Sharon Tate. Sharon Tate was an up and coming actress. She was gonna break out big. Keep in mind she was pregnant at this time. Charles Manson. His cult. This was their first high profile kill, and they murdered.
And she wasn't the target.
Husky. Hold on a second. They murdered her unborn child, and these people who were in the house very brutally.
Quiet, Justin. Nope, can't hear you at all anymore, Justin.
Sounds like I'm in a drive-through.
You sound a bit like PB there, buddy.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Hi, hippie gal.
I'm sorry,
Hi, hippie
CZ.
But yeah,
Hi, hippie.
they murdered all of these people, and keep in mind that Sharon Tate was pregnant at this time. So this film director got a bright idea to do a what-if scenario, but Hillary Duff plays Sharon Tate, and she has premonitions of her own murder, and she tries to tell everyone, but no one believes her.
Dude.
And then she thinks, maybe I'm going crazy. But the end of the movie...
No, if he was doing a what if scenario, why didn't they use Peggy Carter?
So at the end of the movie, they show Duff, and she warns everyone, and it looks like a happy scene, like they all made it, right? And then they do this weird cut, and she's actually staring at all of these bodies, and they show you what really happened in graphic detail of all of them being brutally slaughtered, and all of the people who were killed are ghosts. And I assume she fucking goes into the afterlife or whatever else. And that's his version of a happy ending. It was, first of all, terribly acted, even worsely received. And he did not ask permission to use this story whatsoever. Now, this guy made a great documentary called The History of Horror. It was this guy. He got tired of doing documentaries, I guess, and decided to make fucking films. And his first one was the Amityville Horror mystery, and that was, no big deal. Everyone beat that horse to death. But then he decided he was going to get grittier, so he did a movie on Sharon Tate and Nicole Simpson, and both of them were like slasher haunted horror stories. And look, I don't have a problem with you taking something and putting a horror spin on it, but I feel like taking a tragedy like this, not asking people for permission, and then saying that you're doing it as a homage or respect to their legacy is really fucking twisted.
It sounds like a normal Hollywood thing to do. That's what Hollywood does, though.
Sounds like
Dude,
you
even
can't.
fucking Hollywood railed him.
I was gonna say it sounds like he can't pronounce homage, but it's okay. Homage.
But the point is that
Hummus?
this guy took serious deaths, and he did a premonition horror and what if scenario, and then he fucking shows the death in brutal fashion. And
well, I mean, I don't got an issue with them showing the actual death. I mean, like, if you wanted to add like a more realism to him or realism to it, but I don't know.
It's the way he shot it and did it. It wasn't respectful to the person. I understand what you're saying. I don't have a problem with it either. But you gotta see the film, because the way he does it, he changes a lot of the history that happened to make it fit his story. But he claims that it's based on a true event and that he's following the true history. But he's not really. He's and the way he shoots it doesn't come off as respectful. It kind of goes like full slasher kind of thing, and
That's
the
a bit
way the
effed
ending
up.
is portrayed, it's bad. It's really fucking bad. It
Can
pissed
you-
off a lot of
can you-
people.
I bet it did. Can you imagine their loved ones, like family members, watching this shit by accident?
Oh, the family members wrote him a letter and threatened to sue because they were so offended
Just
by
just
the way
sue
he
him.
portrayed
Just
Sharon.
sue him.
Yeah, just do it.
Yeah, sure,
Just
I mean,
do it.
Come on, people. Why can't
Shia LaBeouf.
you can take something based on a real life situation, but don't say be original. People ain't original anymore, man. They're just finding
never
things
disrespect the dead, though.
to copy. Yeah, no,
Why?
exactly.
What's the benefit of being original? It's so damn risky. You never know if they're gonna. Oh, if I do something that's already happened, damn, I know it's gonna be all right.
Well, yeah. I hear
Oh,
you.
but it gets better because then he did The Haunting of Nicole, and oh boy, I didn't think he could be more offensive.
If
He made it look like, one, he made Nicole look like a slut. Two, he insinuated that OJ
isn't she
wasn't
not?
involved.
Isn't she not? Like what? What are you talking about?
It doesn't, but that detail doesn't
That's
matter.
it's like making a Kim Kardashian and just saying like that sex tape didn't exist there. You know what I'm saying?
No, there was no evidence, Perp. That's different. It's fucking highly disrespectful because that doesn't pertain to the case.
You're saying Nicole Richie wasn't?
Oh no, this
No,
is Nicole
no.
Brown Simpson.
Nicole Brown Simpson, that whole OJ.
Never mind.
You want to hear the craziest conspiracy
No, I was
theory
thinking like Jessica
with
Simpson,
the
like she was
whole OJ
related to
case?
Jessica Simpson or some shit. But never mind. Ignore what I just said.
You want to hear a
Oh,
crazy
yeah,
conspiracy
Christine.
theory I heard with the OJ case?
Have a good day, Christine.
He did it.
Okay, so
Bye,
no,
Christine.
he didn't do it, and this is who did it. Now, OJ Simpson never hated Nicole, but his son did. And this is why at the trial, the glove didn't fit, and why OJ went on a car chase, so it would give his son time to get out of the picture. And then
Except
he took
for
the fall.
the fact that he later admitted
That's
that he did
interesting.
it and wrote a book called "If I Killed Her." So I think
If I
that
did it.
throws the
No,
argument right out
the
the
person
window.
that I originally saw it from went into a little bit more detail, but it's just kind of fucking crazy and it's very believable.
But then if
That's
it
a
was
quality
his son,
conspiracy.
why was his yeah, that is a quality conspiracy. But then again, if he did do it, why was his son outside of the car like yelling at him
For fun.
for fun?
But I mean, the whole point is this guy is making a career off of exploiting these tragedies and is a just genuinely terrible person. Because
I will say,
Man,
if he makes a
is it-
haunting of Gary Coleman, I will watch that. I will watch that.
Did Gary die in a brutal fashion?
What you talking about, Willis?
Accidentally,
But,
he fell
he
down the
came up
stairs.
He
He's
came up
gonna make
short.
a He's gonna make
came
a
up short.
haunting of Auschwitz.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
And
whoa,
that's
whoa,
when
whoa.
people will hang him.
Are you fucking? He died
No.
from falling down the steps.
There was complications from him falling down the stairs with his fiance there, but they had a history of domestic violence.
Oh,
Oh my God.
so
For
she's
real?
a
I didn't know that.
heavy pusher.
Yeah,
She pushes it real good.
I'm trying
It's
to
very
picture that.
interesting.
He fell.
I'm trying to picture that in my head, and just oh my God, it's just okay.
there was some kind of complications from the fall, and I know that he had health issues, but it was directly
Yeah,
related to that.
I would say that it's a complication that once they take you to the hospital, if your wife puts a pillow over your face and you suffocate, that's a complication.
You know, falling's never killed anyone. It's always a sudden stop at the end.
So wait, he was really like abusing his wife or something? Like was she
No,
like
no,
just
no.
like
Like she was, they were. There's something to the effect where like his wife was abusing him. Yeah, KH. Yeah.
Oh. He's probably like throwing
my
around
God.
shit.
Holy crap, that is disturbing.
Perp, answer the question, Perp.
That's already been a thing, surviving R. Kelly.
Yeah, that
Oh my
No, it's got to be
God.
a haunting, Perp. It's got to be the haunting.
Haunting. Not
You know,
The
that
surviving.
haunting
makes
of
me
Bill
question his
Cosby.
song. Like,
Oh,
how many
regret watching
closets
that
did
show.
he hide in? Can we get a number on that?
Oh
No.
goodness.
His ghost is gonna pee on you.
Oh God.
When she came
Alright,
over to the
guys.
closet,
Who wants to back
Hi,
me on my
Gary.
next film? Who
and
wants
there
to
was
back me?
yelling.
I'm gonna do the haunting of Fin Fang Foom.
Holy fuck.
Who wants to join me on this one?
I don't have enough.
You keep using that word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
That was for you, Zod.
I don't think that I want to know what you think it means.
No, I'm just talking about the word haunting. That's what I was trying to joke about.
That's code.
I gotcha.
Fuck me.
No.
So the last thing I
Cock
wanted
rings!
the last thing I wanted to bring up can bring joy to everybody on this panel, and I'll tell you right now.
Oh.
Brie Larson.
Yeah?
No, God, now you're making me
Oh,
regret I didn't
love
bring
Brie
the other
Larson.
article up about her at the Oscars.
How are
But
you not bring
anyways,
every week? We should do a special show call it Brie Wednesdays. I don't fucking care.
Everybody
She's your
have like
favorite.
a Brie avatar. Everybody have a Brie avatar.
You know,
Brie
I'll
Appreciation
co-sign that.
Day. Can we have a Brie Appreciation Day? Like,
Yeah.
So
Put a bunch of cock rings
I
around
want
her
to talk
neck.
about the one thing I would get if I was Nick Cage rich. Yes,
Oh,
I'm calling
shit.
him Nick Cage rich.
So
Play
that's five-
HASBRO'S ultimate toy, the
Would you buy one for each of us if you're Nick
$750
Cage, Rich?
self-transforming Optimus Prime, and
You
this
would buy
has
that bullshit.
The voice, this
I would
has
too.
the voice of the guy who does the voice of Optimus in the Transformer
Dude,
movies.
Is this
Fuck
the same
yeah.
one I showed you like forever
Yes,
ago? Like
it is.
when
Yes, it is.
Okay,
It is.
just making sure
It is.
it's okay if we discuss it again because it's very valid.
Yes,
I don't give a
and
damn about the
Yeah,
problem.
Hasbro,
It's a
where's
whole
our
week
free
old.
review toy? We want the review toy.
And
Gimme.
this
Real
is
robot
this
issues.
is a brand new article, Squirrel. Once again, it was on August 13th, 2020.
Oh yeah, it's new.
So
Now they're complaining. Damn it.
No.
Growing up.
Hey.
Okay,
Go.
who the fuck is
Go.
doing it? Now I don't know who it is.
Scary.
I randomly. Okay. Yes. Yes, it's Peter Cullen, dear. Can we get a $750 Optimus Prime that transforms himself?
Say no.
And has Peter Cullen's voice.
No, don't say
Wait,
no.
what's that? I can hear you over the.
You're gonna get that shit and it's gonna break as soon as you like take out the box. The arm gonna
What's
fall
that,
off.
dear? I will not do that with Optimus Prime.
I was laughing so
You
much I
nasty
couldn't press the pause button. on that.
Yeah. Anyways, you guys don't need to know about that side story. Nerf.
Nerf blasters.
You're looking at this shit like $750 or rent.
Rent.
I mean, worth it. Nerf
$750 it is.
Laser
I'm homeless,
tag
but
The landlord can wait.
Lego Prime.
COVID.
Powerful super soaker.
You don't need an
and, of
ounce.
course, transforming action figures of all kind, but I never did get into Transformers proper.
All right, we're done with the article. Fuck this guy. Whoever you should have gotten into Transformers.
True.
This sounds familiar.
Sorry,
this sounds familiar.
Yeah, I don't
It
make
sounds
the
like Kevin Smith might have made this Transformer.
Oh my god.
I would.
What the hell's
I
Keyforce?
wound up settling for simpler toys. Like, what the fuck is Keyforce?
I have no
Why don't you click
idea.
the link?
Click on it.
Dude,
I
Click
dare
on
you
it.
to click the
Who
link.
actually wrote this fucking
What the
article?
A proper's in the back rooms. Leave him in the endless void of the back rooms.
Let him die.
Oh my god.
Let's see that.
Yo, what the fuck?
We're looking at transforming Optimus Prime.
Grow up.
We're about to.
Oh, PB's still awake. Oh.
It's a $700 and $750 for an adult toy.
For a fucking toy? Fuck that.
The next motherfucker to talk, I swear to Christ, I will exile you to the fandom zone. The other side of
it. Your threats are nothing. They mean meaningless.
Well, I can't exile you because then, I'll have some.
Oh, God.
Yes, I'll make a video be like General Side.
You gotta read that part right there.
For $750, Hasbro will now sell you a 19-inch toy Optimus Prime robot that can literally unfold into a semi-humanoid robot all by itself. Fuck yeah.
That sounds wrong when you read it out loud.
And that's just the start. Created by Rovosin, a company that's been building towards this moment for years. Good for you. Good for you for giving us this. The new Optimus Prime can pose, walk, dance, blast, and slice. Do push-ups.
Can you slice bread?
This motherfucker can do it all. He can do push-ups, roll out and drive, even automatically.
He cannot do all that shit, bro. Pull up the YouTube video. Pull up the YouTube video. See if somebody got it.
There's a GIF of it.
Look at that. Oh,
that's probably fake.
Beautiful. Oh
dude, the toy one, the original one we saw from the because they had it at a Toy Con, right, when they first rolled this out. It was bad. It is badass. It is really cool.
It's fucking awesome.
After several lengthy play sessions, which I'm fucking jealous.
Hitting your boys up in the fandom zone. Why ain't you hitting your boys up in the fandom zone?
This whole article is sus.
I would definitely shill the shit out of this. Telling you, Hasbro. I don't give a fuck.
He'd hold it with him on his camera all the time.
You want me to? If you send me this toy, I will fucking come on with a Hasbro cowboy hat.
You'll put a cowboy hat on that damn robot too. Sit there like little buddies.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Can you picture him? Right? He starts to roll out, and then
he's gonna reprogram it to
call him
Daddy.
They gotta make a special one for Zod where once he transforms, he takes out a cowboy hat, does a little flip, and puts it on.
What if you buy this and he transforms one time and the whole thing just breaks?
Return that bitch.
No return policy.
Perp. What would you have
I want to hire you for
and it died
business.
after you put the game in?
I will literally rage and probably hurt somebody really, really bad. Really bad.
Like if it transforms and then boom, the head falls off, you get to smash the rest of it.
Ooh. All right.
Like you've seen Office Space, right?
No.
Fucking watch Office Space. Get cultured.
Oh my god.
Cultured.
Office Space is great. I feel bad for Milton.
But that's my staple.
Nobody better take my stapler.
Stapler.
I swear to God, I'm gonna burn this. Please.
I'm gonna burn down this building. Okay, that's the last straw.
By the way, like PB said the last time we talked about this, when are they going to release a Megatron one?
Yeah, we're gonna have to move you to the back.
The Megatron one has to be a drone because he flies.
A flying gun.
I'll pay $2,000.
Well, Isla, I don't know about that. It sounds like you and someone else I know that had the same idea.
Oh wow!
So,
is that why you're so excited about it?
Hey, Justin! It's
roll
more
out.
HDI.
Zod, can you do the link in the private chat? I thought you would do that and have that keyed up when the link was thrown in.
No, I don't key
No.
up random links anymore.
No, it wasn't a random link. I thought you were going to do that when we posted. I thought we were going to talk about that link.
Oh my god.
PB posted it.
No,
And Perp
I'm
brought
not
up the
talking about
topic.
that.
Yeah, he's just neglecting the black man again because Perp's the one that brought it up, and then PB found the link.
I found a link?
I'm not acknowledging that.
Yeah, you posted the link.
To what?
To what I posted in the private chat so he could put it up on the damn stream. Come on, let's
I
talk
posted-
about it.
Oh, yeah. Why the fuck aren't we talking about that?
Because why not?
Not
It was in the chat. Let's talk about it.
Topics on
Yeah,
purpose.
Well, we should have put it on the topics.
Oh, He-Man. That's the real He-Man. That's the one that Zod wanted. That's the many other films.
I never said that.
He does not want.
Y'all wanted He-Man and Masters of the Universe, and y'all got He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. There you go.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Hashtag cock rings.
Cock rings.
Looks way better than the
Clearly,
Kevin Smith
Perp
shit. That's
does
why I want to
not
talk about
listen
it.
To any of my reviews,
I
because
only wanted him to go on it so I could bash Kevin Smith, but fuck it.
It isn't even made by Kevin Smith.
I know, that's what's so exciting about it.
It could be like the worst thing ever, but it's better than Kevin Smith.
Right, I wanted to succeed so bad.
This is the show what hardcore He-Man fans wanted. They were waiting for 40 years for this moment. You know what I'm saying? So they got it.
Oh my god.
But truth be told, they definitely people.
Transformer. I want one.
And transform. Man, you know what would be cool is a sound
Just
wave.
get a small business loan,
yeah,
and
I
then
said
you
that too,
invite
that'd been
people
epic.
over to play with your Transformer. You rent
Just
it out.
get one of those PPP loans. You can get one, like two of those.
I mean, I guess you could get a loan for it because he can protect you. He slices.
yeah, I think. Nick Cage brought a fucking shark. Why can't I buy a $750 Transformer?
You can blow your money on whatever you want.
Okay, I have another question for Perp real quick. I swear to God, like, I looked on Twitter before, and you tweeted at me, because you said, if you had a twin, I would still choose you. And I said, thanks. That tweet wasn't for me, Perp?
No.
I was about to say that's so sweet.
Wait, where is this tweet? I wanna see it and retweet it.
I will put it in the group.
Okay.
Powered
I'm
by
gonna
Elon
retweet that
Musk's
shit.
mom.
Quick, take a screenshot first before it gets deleted.
It was actually a lyric that I was singing in my head, and I put it out in a tweet.
Of PB, and now you're taking it away from him? That's
absolutely not.
Christine,
I will kill you, Sad.
Christine says, "Do you have PB? You have a DM."
I see.
Okay, cool. Okay.
You have a dick message?
Yeah.
Several. Wait, do you not?
I posted the video of that robot transforming and all that crap. The one that they show how it works and stuff. It has a lot of motors and all that bullshit in it. Dude, it's cool. It is cool. It's a cool idea. I'm sorry that the toy sucked for the reviewer. But you know what? He should shut the fuck up.
Well, they were never into Transformers. They said that. I said that's why we stopped reading the article.
Share
we
it
can
on
fuck
here.
off. The Verge don't know. I'm sorry. The Verge is a bunch of piece of shit hacks. They okay. So this is funny. I think I mentioned this before. They had a guy who didn't know how to build PCs build a PC, and he was putting all the parts in the wrong spots and shit. and then everyone's telling him that in the thing. Then they called everybody racist, and they turn off the comments and they turn off the likes and dislikes.
I remember that. Yeah, they did that a while ago.
That's so sad.
Why didn't we cover this on the show? What the fuck? Where was I during all this mess?
That was a couple of years ago.
Oh, I wasn't doing it then.
I don't think we were. Any of us worse in the doing the show then.
I was close to doing a show. Well, I don't think that would have missed the mark. We were too busy talking about Star Wars back then.
Yeah, that's pretty much around the time it happened.
Okay, now you guys are about to witness the brilliance. I'm going full screen for this.
Oh
Zod is
God,
gonna
no!
just get
From
wet.
across the
No!
galaxy, an unforgettable
Skip to
hero
the fun
is
part.
about to return.
Blah blah blah.
The pageantry.
Introducing the world's
This is not worth
first
$700.
auto-converting,
Shut up.
interactive, voice-enabled,
This is not worth $700.
Autobot hero,
That shit is
Optimus
trash.
Prime.
No, hold on.
The Transformers toy that defined a generation comes to life by the
Yeah. Why is
command
it
of your
echoing?
voice or mobile device.
So
Standing
if you buy
amazing
two of those, you
19
can
inches
have
tall,
two
5,000
Optimus
components
Primes
finished
fighting
with
each other.
premium materials make this G1 Optimus Prime impressively authentic, even speaking with the original voice. 60
See?
microchips power the 27
You can have him do the Wakanda
servo
forever.
motor joints, empowering Optimus
Zod,
Prime to
why is this
fully
echoing?
auto-convert and operate in both robot and vehicle mode.
Holy
Control
fuck.
your Optimus Prime with an extensive library of voice commands, like attack.
I wish you could
Or
just program
use the
your own
mobile app.
voices.
Every collector will enjoy the preloaded actions, with more to come via download that unlock new features and the ability to create your own sequences with
I
graphical
would honestly-
programming within the
Oh
app.
no, create your own
Published and
sequences.
licensed
We all
by
know what's
Hasbro.
gonna
This
happen.
limited
in a
edition
few months
Optimus
this
Prime
comes out.
delivers endless ability to save the planet interactively.
I would honestly use that to like do all videos and stuff, like just
I
have
know,
Optimus
right?
talking.
When the
Yeah,
windshield
just
wipers
do a
don't work.
voiceover and just have the movements.
We
of
all
Optimus
know what's
Prime.
gonna happen when people have their own sequences and get their hands on it.
But the windshield wipers don't work. You need a discount, man.
I got a flat
How
tire.
much more would you pay for working windshield wipers? How much more would you pay for?
About, $5.
Hey, Planky's Queen, I didn't get the DM from you. Sorry.
A sound wave one would be pretty dope, though. If
Yeah,
it was
you
like
will cry.
a real tape deck.
And then it shoots out the other
Yeah.
Decepticons from his chest, and they transform.
Exactly.
You know what? It's sad that they had to use 3 different shots just to show Optimus Prime standing up.
Yes.
That means that shit don't work. Doesn't
That's
work.
how I feel about this.
Do your own program your own sequences, which is it's got me concerned. There's going to be people doing some disturbing stuff with Optimus Prime.
Oh, who gives a damn?
No, but
$750? I hope that thing fucking dances.
the point
But
is,
it's going to be
there's
on the
gonna
internet,
be
and people will
hold on.
meme the shit out of it.
There's gonna be some rich motherfucker out there, or just rich enough to waste the money on it, and they are going to have a fleet of Optimus Primes, and they are going to breakdance.
That'd be cool.
That sounds
Oh,
awesome.
That'd be very
Oh
cool
my
if they could do
God.
that.
That's
Just how you
need to get
casually
on
said,
that.
and they are going to break dance.
It's going to be
Like
fucking
New
awesome.
GoFundMe.
What'd you call them?
GoFundMe.
Mob dances or something like that?
Flash mobs.
Flash mobs, yeah.
GoFundMe
it doesn't happen
for
in a flash.
breakdancing Optimus Prime. Do million hits on this fucking channel. I'm just gonna put Optimus Prime break dances. Oh God.
It is kind of cool, though. You gotta admit.
I'm not gonna lie. I've probably already spent millions of dollars between the fucking.
Yeah, he spent it all on the mobile games. If he saved his money, he
I
would be able to buy
funded
this.
some kids
Wait,
to
did
go
you
to
spend it all
college.
on?
He spent over $500 on fucking microtransactions, man.
You spent $500 on microtransactions? What the fuck kind of app is this? Wait, what? Oh, was it that? What was the app called again? I think I know what it is.
Oh Jesus Christ!
The haunting of microtransactions.
When you purchase stuff for the game, it's called a microtransaction. It's a question of legality.
You spend $500 on microtransactions.
We always have to remind Zod of this every year. That's gonna be tradition.
Yeah,
Every
like
day.
Christmas.
All the time.
We've done it twice now.
fucking twice. No, probably more than that.
I bring it
literally
up a
got
lot
video
more than you
just 'cause
guys
I
think.
embraced it.
It's
going,
been a
"My
while."
$350
Like that. You remember that one time in the
Marvel
Phantom Zone?
Oh, I remember that time. Hmm.
I think
Relax.
I was
Great
asleep.
times here. Great times.
I'm gonna
Oh, the
switch it up
memories.
for you, man. Next Christmas, I'll get you a micro machine.
Oh,
You remember those?
yeah.
Them little tiny cars? I love those things.
Yeah, so
By the way,
Machines.
did I sound like shit earlier or something?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
highly. It
Yeah,
was
you
fucking
sound like
atrocious.
a tiny Asian penis.
Yeah.
I don't know what that
Listen,
sounds like.
Justin,
but
hold on. I have a question for you. When's the last time that you asked the panel a question and everybody agreed about you?
A few times, but not like this.
That's never happened.
Okay.
It's amazing.
I'll try to not do it in the car anymore.
Oh my.
Keep your carnal activities to yourself.
that works on 2 levels.
Thank you.
Don't explain it, Zod. That'll ruin it.
He was still going to.
But yeah, Perp, don't forget tomorrow we'll be reviewing Titans episodes now 1 through 4. PB, I'll give you that information when we're off because I don't want a bunch of people watching some scandalous shit on my HBO. Not telling you that there's scandalous shit, but there is some crazy fucking shit I've been watching lately.
He's been watching a lot of porn.
9 Perfect Strangers is fire on Hulu.
No, I said HBO Max and Titans.
Hey, I'm just plugging shit, okay?
What the fuck? Where
I'm
is
plugging
even
shit.
the connection?
9 Perfect
All right, I'm
Hey,
talking about
you
that
talk
Pretty
about a
Little
show,
Liars.
I just named another show. There's
Wait,
the connection.
Wait, don't be talking
Is that a
smack
real show?
about Pretty Little Liars.
I'm
What?
not. I actually just got my
LB is
I
not
just
here.
got my girl into Pretty Little Liars. Dude,
That show was fire, and you know it, Zod.
Oh man, I'm
oh
hyped
my
up.
God,
I'm
agreeing
hyped up
with
for
you,
Space
Justin.
Jam.
How you know what's amazing? How you can turn in an argument into someone fucking agreeing with you. It's like a skill I wish I had. I literally said yes. I agree with you, Justin. That's why I'm trying to get my girl to watch it. Because, you know, white bitches and their problems.
Whoa.
Oh shit!
Now you just heard Zod get knocked out.
Wow.
He's on the
You think
floor.
the whole
I
show
hope
is
that
about...
couch is comfy.
Are you
Yep, that
kidding
couch-
me? You
You gotta
just
sleep in
said
the
Pretty
car.
Little Liars
You
is
sleeping
just
in the car,
about...
right?
Zod, you forgot one of the videos in the private chat. You forgot to watch it.
What video?
There's another one in there. I'm like, you forgot this
That
one. I have to
Pornhub
post
link?
it.
If it's that fucking Halo thing, Husky, I am not putting that on my fucking
It's
screen.
not the Halo thing. I promise. It's not the Halo thing.
I feel
Oh
like
my
you're
god,
lying to me.
it's even worse.
I hope it's a
Yeah.
Halo thing.
Oh, that's
just
a good
saying,
That's a
though.
good one, Cyber. That was a good one.
Who's
I
who's
hate
down
you.
for a Space
it's not
Jam
bad.
watch
Just
party?
click it. It's fine.
The new
I'm
Space Jam?
still- Yeah,
Click it
the
and
new
share
one.
the screen.
Who's down?
No,
Space
I'm
Jam
not
watch
sharing
party.
the screen. I already clicked out of it.
I wasn't lying to you, was I?
What was the video?
Husky.
Click
Just
on
click
it.
it. It's in the private chat. I'll send it. I'll send it in the YouTube
I'm gonna
chat
let
too.
people wonder.
Everyone can there. They can
What-
there.
what-
I shared them the video.
If it's not about Brie Larson, then I don't want to see it.
Oh, it probably is about Brie Larson.
It's very
is about-
emotional.
Yeah.
I'm-
It's very
it is
emotional, I'll
very,
give him
very
that.
emotional.
It's very emotional and moving.
What's moving?
That
The
link,
video
that
link I
video link.
posted.
A lot of
Video link.
stuff's moving there.
Husky
Hello,
likes to give back.
video
Will
link.
never be let down by it.
It's in the chat as well. It's also
Oh, I
in
clicked on
the
it.
back room.
Oh my god, he's my favorite ginger.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
my favorite
I love
ginger.
it.
Sorry,
I
sorry,
need to
PB.
unmute. Sorry,
Oh
not
wait,
listening
he
to you.
is a ginger, isn't he?
He's very supportive.
Never gonna give you up.
Oh, great.
Spoiler. Spoiler.
Oh, you just ruined it.
You
Oh,
fucking
come
ruined
on.
it,
Fall
man.
for it.
I'm
Come
sorry.
on.
Well, come on, you gotta
Oh, that just gave it away. Like all
do
the
it.
hate stuff was
Play it.
funny, and then you did that.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't
Yeah,
help
it's good things
myself.
I didn't
It was
play
just
though
so
on stream,
supportive.
'cause
I got
Oh,
so excited.
that's a great comment.
Oh, thank
Aw.
you. Isla Miller, Isla,
Yeah.
welcome. I butcher fucking names,
Taco
so I apologize.
machines.
Says, okay, you guys remind me of my friends growing up, and I haven't been able to see them in years. I'm laughing so hard. Thank you. Yes, Gary, I collected micro machines for years, and look, I appreciate it.
Oh, wow.
The whole point of this show is for everyone to have a laugh because we talk about some serious things, but we also make light of it because people take shit too seriously, and we're here about having fun and a place for people to just have a good time because Fridays are depressing because I work, and so
So Fridays are depressing for you. Don't lump us all in with that. Continue.
Oh no, the Fridays
that, I
are
know you're
depressing for me
depressed,
too.
too.
I agree with Zod. I work too.
Thank you.
That's
Hey,
why
man.
I'm driving for like 40 minutes trying to get home and trying to make the show.
Micro machines are serious now.
Oh, we're back to the fucking micro machines. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. What
Those
what
really
are
cute.
what are they exactly? Like what are their purposes?
Oh my God, you
They're like
little
miniature Hot Wheels.
baby. Yeah, basically like little miniature Hot Wheels, but cooler.
Oh, I thought
Yeah.
they were like tiny microwaves or something. I don't know.
Oh, they're little.
Easy bake ovens from hell.
I was just gonna say that.
Yeah, I thought
Easy
there was
bake
something like
ovens
that.
from hell. That's just an easy bake oven because you can make meth with an easy bake oven.
Easy bake
Hear that
oven.
here, folks,
Wait.
by the way.
Wait, you can make meth with
Disclaimer.
an easy bake oven?
No,
Really?
with the light. With the light.
Dude,
You
I
know
don't
what?
even want to know how you know that, Husky.
I would be.
I
so
learned that
God.
from my brother. I don't know where he
Oh,
found out
Jesus
about it
Christ.
from.
I
Right.
think I have a couple ideas, and you're not gonna like them.
Jesus Christ, so
Zod.
we broke bad on this show.
Yes, he has
I'm
very
sharing
terrible
the screen,
friends. Probably.
and you better share it. You better
He was
play
on the internet when that shit was just everywhere.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
it. Yes.
Yeah, don't play it though, because
Hold on,
I don't want you to get
hold
pulled.
on,
Don't play it,
hold on.
Zod. I don't want you to get pulled.
No,
Please
hold
don't
on a
play
second.
the music.
I
don't want you
made
to get
it.
pulled.
No, I
Just-
clicked on your fucking link and I watched 2 minutes and 49 seconds so far. And I swear to God, at the 2 minute and 40-second mark, they took the choreography from Bruce Lee. Swear to God.
Oh,
So go to the
goodness.
240 mark then.
It's only 9
What's the
seconds.
240?
The 240 mark. Oh, there we go.
Okay,
Boom.
so click. Wait for it.
It gets better.
Yeah!
My man went for it.
What the fuck?
Ed.
And
Aw.
that's a perfect
Oh,
part.
look at that guy's face.
Oh, nice. That was excellent camera work there, Zod. Excellent camera work.
We're professional here.
That's too funny.
Professional here in the fandom zone.
We are.
I've been a
very
pillar
professional.
of professionionalism for as long as I can. Did that motherfucker Perp just fucking leak? You fucking.
Oh.
I appreciated you.
can't
Anyways,
handle
for that
it.
video,
You just
all
said you
the
could
all
leave
the
this
credit goes
ranch
to
whenever you
talented
want
Rick,
to.
Ashley, and the team that helped him make the music video.
Where did they get us?
Absolutely.
What?
He couldn't handle the ginger ninja. The ginger ninja.
Perp saw that and he's like, "Oh fuck that! There's too many gingers in one place here. I'm out."
Wait, Rose Matter, the song "Never Gonna Give You Up" reminds you of your first trip to Cancun.
Yes.
Oh my.
Oh shit.
Wow. There.
She
there it is.
decided she
I
was never
never
going to give
would've-
up Cancun.
Yeah, Rick Astley in Cancun doesn't exactly. No, I
Sure
never
does.
would have made that combination.
Was
I
it something
don't
you heard on the
remember
cruise
my
line?
trip to Cancun,
Or
so you're
flight?
mad at me.
Maybe on the flight. Maybe. Hey, you know what? Maybe it was back in the day. We don't know if Rose was around in the '80s and taking trips to Cancun and listening to her cassette player, listening to that song. I don't know.
Fuck you!
I don't know.
I had a cassette player too. What are you trying to say? You
Well,
prick?
a Walkman. Oh, I'm sorry. That's what I meant.
How dare you?
And then I had a portable
Never used
CD
one.
player.
That's fun. The portable CD player. Every time you walked, it moved.
I miss my Walkman.
And then
Yeah, I
that
felt like if I
motherfucker
was
stick.
jog, you can't jog with the CD player.
No.
Oh, we tried. We tried. I even had that fucking flimsy belt clip that didn't do shit, and my CD still skipped like a motherfucker.
Yeah, it like ruined your discs. So.
Oh yeah, yeah. I lost a lot of good music that summer.
I make a jetty.
The one summer that you tried
What's
running.
up, Jeffrey?
Oh god.
Islay McMillan says miniature Hot Wheels that came out
Nice.
of ovens. Like Shrinky Dinks.
Shrinky Dink.
You remember Shrinky Dinks? No?
Yes,
Okay.
those are.
Yeah. Every time it gets cold.
Fuck
Cock
me.
rings.
Or when
Oh
you
my
come out of the
God,
pool.
So many restraining orders coming after this show. Everyone's gonna
Restrain-
be fucking behind.
Restraining orders. Well, then we're
Husky,
just not
don't
going to be able to
even start. You got,
associate
like,
with
20
people.
waiting for you.
No, I'm on a watch list. A restraining order means I can't come within like 5,000 feet or something of people.
That's not
No,
gonna.
it's-
That's not gonna
we're on a
affect
watch
anything.
list, man.
That won't affect any of us here.
Husky just corrected me like, no, bro. I'm on a watch list, okay? I'm high class. Don't lump me in with those restraining order people. Jesus Christ.
PB, are you? What are you humming
What?
to yourself?
What? Oh, it's Take On Me by A-ha Now. That's what played after I got Rick rolled. And I was like, okay,
Hit
I'm
the-
in.
hit- can you hit the? Who can hit the high note?
Man,
Who can hit the
Nobody
high
can
note?
hit the high note.
who doesn't love these songs?
Yes, I can. You just gotta kick me in the balls.
Take on me.
Am I not supposed to hum?
You're lucky Cherry's not here right now. She'd be quoting you all day long.
Rose
Oh,
Matter
man.
says it was one of the songs that she heard at her favorite nightclub.
Ooh.
You know
And
what?
she goes,
We're
"Squirrel, no
winding down
cruises
the
for me."
show, so if I get pulled at the last minute, I don't care. Now, this is PB's fault.
What'd I do?
Oh, you know what you did.
I just hummed.
Yeah, he was humming one of the worst songs ever recorded.
False.
You-
So
Oh.
false.
You get
Blasphemy.
out of here.
Eject this motherfucker.
This
Yes, Rose, I would love you to say which bands that you met. That would be awesome. I want to see them. Who have you? That not just seen, you've met them. That's awesome.
Oh,
Hold on
Any
a second.
embarrassing stories?
I sent
fun ones?
PB. I sent you a video on Discord of a guy teaching kids how to make meth.
Holy fuck.
Wait, you sent him the
Things you file under do not show on fucking YouTube.
like he's
I'm
gonna
still
show
listening
this
to the
Some
music.
comedy show. You can tell us from some comedy show. There's just kids there though. He says never do this. It's like the
Hold on a
family-friendly
second.
new song. It says
Okay.
never take cough syrup and mix it with iodine and lye. He doesn't say do that.
Oh God.
Don't show it.
Oh, I'm gonna show the shit out of it.
Oh man, we're gonna just get pulled for copyright infringement. They're not gonna care about the other shit we said. These guys say I don't know. They copyright infringement.
That's all right. It's getting close to the end of the show anyway, so.
Oh, fuck this.
Yeah! I can stop it on my end.
Here we
Do not
go.
share
It's
the
okay, I don't
audio.
have to hear
Do
the
not
shit.
share the audio.
Everybody. Oh, there's no
Who
point
doesn't
to
love this
Do not share
damn
the
song?
audio. At least
We're
put it
gonna
down a
get
little
pulled off.
bit, so
Yep.
then no, put the volume down a bit, so then we can talk over it like this.
We're gonna get
Little
pulled
more.
off.
Yeah, we'll get
Little
Oh,
more.
yeah.
A little more.
We're gonna
Get
get
pulled.
pulled.
And now we're pulled. We got the claim,
Pull me.
and now we're getting pulled.
Oh my god.
They're screaming over it.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Oh, there it is. There's the DMCA.
Yeah.
No, no.
This is dope, though. Love
Oh my
this
god,
video.
this is some classic.
Oh, man.
That's
Just
right.
label it as a reaction and YouTube will be fine with it.
I hate this. Hate this
Oh.
song so much.
Good, now we just make him suffer.
You're gonna have to suffer because we love this song.
Oh my god.
I wasn't even attempting it because I knew one of you guys had on purpose and I'd lose my shit.
Oh my god, that woke me up.
Oh, dear Lord, help me.
This just feels right. This feels
Oh.
right. Like, if I get pulled up, be like, you know what? Well worth it. I don't care, YouTube.
Okay, it's time to get
I want to know if you got the video claim or the audio claim
one
first.
of those nights, but
You can't not
That's
love
why you
this
gotta watch
now.
these shows live, people, because then you can see everything uncut.
It's on the BBC and the WWE that gets the stream block. Yep, I agree, Hen. I think honestly they'd be like, oh my god, you're doing us a favor playing this great fucking song. That's what YouTube should be saying to us.
Reaction.
just saying though, I completely disagree. I think this song is stupid. It's horrible.
I think
Especially
you're
the
stupid.
Stupid and horrible.
stupid synthesizer. It's
Yeah,
awful.
guys, there's a video. There's a video right there. I put it. The thing. It's on CNN, and we're getting pulled right there.
Do they have to play this fucking song at every single beach and every single gay 80s nightclub? Like, do they
Yes.
have to?
Yes.
There are other
Absolutely.
gay 80s songs to choose from.
Oh God, I can.
Or anything
I can
by
give you
White
a list.
Girls just want to have fun.
Look,
Super gay.
I don't want to be your woman.
How could you say this way? Look, they are literally running through the digital landscape of my
I don't want
life.
to be your woman either.
This rotoscope.
Rose, that is a very impressive
beautiful.
list of people.
Justin,
I wanna know-
if you put in the description that you had some music video reactions, I think YouTube will be fine.
hey Justin, Rose wants to know if you read her comment.
Oh, I did. I was acknowledging it just a second ago. Yeah. I'm curious. Who did you meet in Slaughter and Rat? I really want to know. Oh yeah. When did you meet Rat?
Oh, he's getting his ass kicked.
As he
Yeah, he's
should.
getting his.
He's trying to become
Yeah.
real.
You're not James Dean.
Oh, Hughes Queen says, "Fuck off, Justin Proper."
This was the first time an anime waifu, well,
Yeah.
husbando in this case, came to life.
That is the song
Aha.
inspired a generation
Uh-huh.
right there. Bam.
Inspired to generate. Oh my fucking lord.
But I will play you guys my all-time favorite song. I've actually sang this to Bitchy so much.
Oh,
she wants
God.
to kill me.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
And you guys,
Can you just sing it instead, and we can guess what it is?
Probably a Barney song.
What? Where did that come from?
Wow.
Yes, it goes. Wait, that's lamb chop.
Yeah,
That's
lamb chop. I might. Well, that
Whoops.
could be another one.
If it was anyone else, Squirrel, I would be upset. But for you, that just cut deep.
I'm so sorry, man.
I'm just like
You cut me
I
deep,
get my
Shrek.
sad face.
You cut
I'm
me
like,
deep.
Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, here we go. This song right here. Bam.
What is that?
I'm gonna turn this up a little
Oh,
bit.
there we go.
Oh, this is even.
Wait, you're Joe and
This is-
Bonnie?
This is
Family
a
Guy?
Yes!
fucking
Oh,
phenomenal
yes!
song.
You're on a fucking roll, man! Yes!
This song is fucking phenomenal.
This, too, I sing this to my girl. And she's like, "Please stop," and I'm like, "No, because I brave Louis down in Africa."
Hi, Lily.
Hello, Lily.
My favorite one is when they covered Hash Pipe from
Lily, you
Weezer, 'cause
came
they
right
covered
on
the song
time.
from them.
Bloody hell.
That's right. You don't let distance stop
the
you.
hell?
You love someone, you go the extra
Feeling that
fucking
drum.
mile. You want to hear I
Go
am
that extra fucking mile to jack off on your phone for that.
Wait a second. Is he going over to Africa to bring her back with him? Because I don't think you're supposed to go to Africa to get a black person.
It's legal now.
Oh, now it's legal.
No,
Okay.
this one's not legal now. That's illegal now.
Man,
Hold on,
you
I
know
gotta
what? I kind of wish I wrote one of these bangers and just lived off with the rest of my life.
You wanna write? Oh, you could just
man.
just write a 4-chord song. You have 4 chords to think of, and then you can just make any song with those 4 chords.
He's trying to find the other page to his career.
Hold the line already.
I don't think I've ever actually
Sorry,
seen
Al.
this video.
Yeah, it's kind of lame, isn't it?
No, it's beautiful.
It needs
Look
more
at it.
weed.
It does. It needs more color, I think.
That guy looks like
Maybe that's the point.
They don't have snakes in this video?
Yeah, this is all cultural appropriation. Bunch of white dudes.
Oh no,
bunch of white dudes playing it.
The dude with the drumsticks, though, he looks like what's his name that worked at Area 51.
What?
The guy that worked at Area 51.
Yeah, this is a
name?
4-chord song, by the way, proper.
Yeah, I know what they are, but yeah.
Yeah, you've seen the 4 chords thing, right? I'm not gonna play it
He's
because
jamming.
that gets lit up.
Yeah. Oh, the blues guitarist? Yeah,
post it on-
that's Guitar Face right there.
I'll post it on Twitter, and then I'm just
Shalina,
gonna post it on the Fandom Zone chat in the Discord.
Shalina wants to know what the point of it being in the library is.
All the cool people
I have
are
no
on
clue,
the
but I
Discord,
love
by
it.
the way.
I fucking love every moment.
It's
of it.
about education.
Oh, this isn't my career.
Oh my god, that is so sexy.
God! I can't. Oh, they
I
found
love
it.
the xylophone.
There's what's there
There's a
waiting
gist.
for
I'm
you,
looking
baby.
for you.
Go for it.
Whoa.
Yeah, just add music video reactions into their description and stuff, and YouTube should be totally fine with it. I don't know what the reaction people do to get away
Whoa.
with it, but yeah, it'd totally be fine.
Okay, so
Oh, found his career.
Uh-oh. See, I'm confused about what's going on when I first watched this, because I'm like, are they pissed? Because he's going to catch the wave in Africa.
now we got all these creeps looking at him, at this poor woman who's burning alive. All these bunch of white dudes in the library are just staring at her through the aisles and not doing jack shit. Great, more shit is happening, and we still, that poor librarian.
Why are you burning my books?
Why are they
Yeah.
burning books? Why
Why
are
are you
there
burning
glasses in
books,
them?
Mr.
Murdering books.
And he's just letting it happen. He's not doing any. Oh, now he's burning the Book of Africa.
Because he's gonna go there.
Or at least he has that large version that he's standing on.
Hey, Zod, you want my World War II reference? Why is he burning books like Hitler?
I think at the end of these, we should just put obscure video reactions where we just
Yeah,
songs
obscure
to
video
react.
reactions. Then you can say it's a reaction video, and then you tell YouTube, no, we're just doing a reaction video. It's fine.
I mean, if you're gonna play the, wait a
reaction
second.
videos.
Wait a second. So you're telling me that you're gonna play both of those songs, but then you're not gonna rickroll us?
I know
Yeah,
they
you
do a
said
lot
no
more
to the
copyright.
Rickroll.
That's how this all started, man.
Allegedly.
Like,
No,
Yeah,
he
this is
can't
all-
do it because Zod will give up the chat and let him down.
It's always Husky's fault. This is how we get into these situations.
But is it
All
wrong?
right. You know what? I'll do it for you guys. I'll do it for you guys.
I mean, I want to play it mostly because apparently Justin hates it.
What do I hate?
Being rickrolled.
No, I love it.
Okay.
Oh, he hated the other song.
Oh. Get some, Petty Officer Zod. Yes.
That shimmy right there.
Yeah.
That fucking ginger.
We're witnessing PB before he became
One of
top
the best
radio
songs on the
personality.
internet.
The hair on my head is blonde.
It's luscious. I refuse to believe he has this voice. Hold on a second. I can't picture. I can't match this voice to him. It's so
Why not?
fucking weird.
I
Like
love
he looks
it.
like he'd be like, "Hey guys, how you doing?" And then he comes out with, "I would never let you down."
It's like a meal share.
But you gotta admit,
Can't handle
this guy
the voice
made
of Rick
denim
Astley, man.
sexy.
Hey, at least he's never going to turn around and desert you.
But he was
I
the first
believe him.
one to
I
wear
fucking believe
denim
him.
on
Look at
denim.
that trustworthy face.
They've been wearing denim on denim for like 200 years in Canada.
He'll walk your dog and mow your lawn.
Oh my gosh. I just remembered this one edit of this
Walk your dog
of this
and mow your
video.
lawn.
Oh
Okay,
my god.
does
That guy's
anyone
disturbed.
notice the theme?
Aww.
All these old videos. Can anyone tell me? And I'm not just picking this out. This has been the last 3 videos. Why do they throw in the random black guy doing random shit? Okay, I just want to highlight. Look.
Hey, he
in
needs
Africa.
some work too. Hey, they're employing a black guy. Why is this a bad thing?
It's not a bad thing.
Bartenders
He's just
make
doing
some
his
good
job.
money.
What do you have
Every
against
fucking
him?
video we've watched.
He's a bartender. He was
He
giving
knows how
them
to
drinks.
make my drink the way I like it.
Yeah.
I feel like we've been progressive now for years. I mean, this proves it. All of those people like, is happily employed, just wiping the shit out of that bar.
You know what he's really thinking though? He's like, man, I
hate
could sing
this
this
fucking
song. I could sing it way better than this
Oh, he's
motherfucker.
getting ready to dance.
Okay,
He
so
does
he's
a
getting
pretty
into it.
fucking dances, man.
Is Rick Astley supposed to be like on this weird stage that they have at the
Yes.
bar?
Yeah.
Or he's
performing.
looking at what's happening outside.
Honey,
Yes.
I'll never let you
He
down.
does whatever he
I'll
wants.
never tell a lie.
Oh, okay, so it's just in this area.
I don't know.
Okay.
Whenever I get done.
Oh
What
shit!
the fuck?
Yeah. Calisthenics behind the bar. You gotta stay limp for pouring drinks.
Yeah, those women didn't have to do like anything. That guy now, he's acting. He's having a good time. He's putting on a
Yes.
show for us.
Well, you know what he's he's actually
right.
thinking like, oh, this white dude sound like a brother. All right.
That's exactly what it sounds like.
It's like, why is he singing?
Why is everybody else not? All right,
Yeah, I
random
love
white
Rick
dude.
Astley, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Can't hate on
Look at that. He is just killing it.
It's the bartender. Hey, they let the bartender go out.
Ninja moves.
That's where
Shadow dance.
parkour was born.
It's part of the ninja moves, BB saw.
He just pointed to his armpit. Check it out.
Look here.
See? Yeah,
Oh, shit.
backflipping too.
Backflipped in the freeze. Right after that.
Sometimes, Ancient One.
You know what's funny is that I honestly didn't believe that this was his real voice.
It's true.
Okay, here's
Yeah.
BB's favorite part they point out earlier.
Yeah. Oh,
Bam!
Aww.
And then
He smiled.
And froze.
Of course, he's probably like, "Oh my gosh, I've tried this like 5 times already, and I've landed on my neck. It sucks."
Oh,
And so, of course, he's gonna smile when he makes it.
he pulls a Black Widow and poses.
Yo, this shit
Director's
gets
like, I
wild,
want you to
though.
run up the
We
wall,
have
do a
the
backflip,
240
and then freeze.
Holy fuck, there are cigarettes in my pocket? Why?
You got cigarettes? Can I have one?
Yeah, put your finger up to the screen. Reach forward.
Put my lips up and then you just.
Nope, nope,
Give
nope.
me-
You
give
made
me a
it weird.
Shotgun.
Have you seen?
Oh, we're pulled. We're pulled, Zod. Zod, we're pulled.
What happened?
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Stream
You've
unavailable.
never seen that
Stream
before?
suspended for policy violations.
No.
Has it been
Voice
removed for
crack.
real?
That's hilarious.
I knew
No.
it was going to come
Oh,
with
we got pulled.
No, I knew that was going to come with Never Gonna Give You Up because they got really harsh on that after the whole
stream
meme
got
happened
pulled.
years ago.
Wait, oh, seriously? Oh, did I
Yes.
ruin it?
Stream's unavailable.
God damn it, Justin. Of course
Okay,
you did.
We can't come back now.
It was probably the Rick Astley shit.
Yeah, it
Who
was.
knows?
That's why I
It
said
was.
don't play it.
And I said
Stream
do.
suspended.
Oh, it said they said it got pulled again.
Again.
What?
Well, shit, we can do what we want now, right?
Yeah,
Zod,
finish
keep
clicking
end
the song.
stream though on your end because I
all
think you're still
copyright
Zod, at least click end stream though on the stream.
You're
yard,
welcome.
So
No,
it
don't
can
do
end
it
the
yet.
stream permanently.
Ending the stream does not close the yard, Justin.
No, I'm not saying that. Yeah, just so we just stop the timer and then it can stop the because this thing is still going for
Yes.
some reason.
We can make it through this. We have to believe. We can't end on that note.
Suspended. How do we unsuspend it? We don't.
You
we're
just
not
have
doing
to
the
keep
music
it off
anymore?
it. You have to keep it off for a while.
How long? How long?
A couple minutes.
I think you're full of shit.
Yeah, see, we're back on. We're back on already.
No way.
Mine still says unavailable. Oh wait, hold on.
Yeah,
Why-
we're back.
Are we back?
We're back.
Are we back?
Well,
Nope,
I'm
it doesn't say
gonna
it.
ruin it
Oh,
again.
it's back. No, it's back.
Oh, it is back. It is back. It is back. Don't do shit. Don't do shit.
It is back.
back.
Are we back again?
Yeah, it's
Amazing.
back.
Harry's like, burn it down.
Okay, that's gonna be so fun. We finally did it. We finally got suspended on air. We did it, Zod. And it wasn't from me making my jokes.
We got suspended and we're back, bitches. YouTube can't stop me.
Isn't
Oh,
that
we
a
just
song? You
got
can't
pulled again.
stop the what is it? What is
God
it? You
damn
can't
it,
stop.
you
Oh,
guys
that was a
pulled
big
again, you
boomerang.
fuckers. Oh, damn it, we're gone again.
Boomerang.
Are we?
All right. Yeah, bye, guys.
Bye.
You know where to find us.
Why? What? What happened?
No, I think we're still on.
Are we?
No, we're still on.
What are you?
Damn it! I was this close.
We're still on.
MJ.
Wish
Negative.
Jared was
Stop
here.
screen sharing.
Wait, so what? So what song were you playing there just a
It
second
was
ago?
Rick Astley
Holy
voice
fucking
crack, but I
A,
think it was the
man.
Rick Astley stuff before that that got us pulled.
No,
Yeah,
not
you know-
you.
La
Not
Bamba.
you.
What? Oh
He was
yeah, yeah.
playing La Bamba.
Mad
Hey.
Squirrel, got it.
You wanna stroke your ego a bit, guy? You see what Sean said?
What? What are you
Oh,
talking about?
hold on.
You're still on.
Zod,
No.
you're a god. You defeated YouTube.
Oh man, it just made his
Ah,
ego
there you
swell
go.
up a bit more.
Is that what he calls it now? Fuck.
It's planet
Like, how
sized.
long were we suspended for? Like 3 minutes, maybe?
Something like that.
Yeah.
You just gotta entertain people in the chat, now we know.
That's awesome.
Rick Ashley. Rick rolled the stream.
Got Rick Road with
They
the
probably
claim.
They just hate. They're just hating on Rick. That's all it is. Oh
I know,
hell
we
no! They're
played,
playing
like,
that.
two songs
Stop
that
it.
should've- They were like,
Oh,
oh,
because the guy who made the video 4K and stuff got it all it got pulled off the internet, and it was sad. I'm like, oh, because I can't find it anymore.
So you just have it stored on your computer now?
What?
You just have it stored on your computer now?
No, I didn't save it.
It's nice to know there's people actually working.
Where?
In YouTube.
Oh,
Universe.
I thought you were talking about whose ever background noise.
Hey, YouTube mods, are you there? Or is it just a bot that times us out?
YouTube
Because if you're
bots.
there, hi, how are you? Can you tell Zod to put his mod things on so we can give him money again?
Whoa. That's a little bottist of you. You don't want to say hi to the bots?
Bottist.
Say hi to the bots. What the fuck, you know?
Say hi to the bots.
Cyber, I'm gonna cyber dog. Everyone say hi to the bots.
See
They're
what?
nice.
They are not nice. Don't fucking lie to them. They know.
No. They like it when you compliment them. Don't be mean to them. You gotta compliment them.
Fuck these goddamn bots.
Listen here, woman.
Oh god. He's raising his finger.
No.
Listen here, woman.
Oh.
Let's see if I can get us.
You start hearing like hitting, but it's not Lee.
I hope she comes in and starts hitting him. It'd be hilarious.
You'd see a pillow. I don't know.
Zod, blink 3 times if you're okay. Blink once if you're not.
That is Gary playing music.
You only blinked twice. Holy shit! What does that mean?
Goddamn.
Let me see if I can get us
Get me the
canceled
fuck
again.
out of here!
Get us canceled again. You ready? Say that you'll stay a little. Don't say bye-bye tonight. Say you'll be mine. Just a little bit of love is worth the moment of Zod's time.
Gary, is it weird?
I changed
I'm in love
it.
with you now.
Changed it.
You should record a version of that and have that as Zod's outro every single time.
You know what I find funny?
That'd be
If you didn't get suspended for the actual music, you just got suspended for that person who made the parody voice crack shit. That'd be fucking hilarious.
I love that fucking voice crack thing, man. It was awesome.
Well, at least you guys were enjoying it up until that point.
Okay, I'll just.
I was enjoying it after that point.
Anyways, it's getting a little late over here.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. I need to go to sleep. I gotta be up in
Getting
like
so late, it's
3.5
becoming
hours.
early.
It's tomorrow here. It's like 10 to 9 in the morning.
Future.
I know. I need to go.
Healy's
have...
coming to you from tomorrow.
Yeah.
Gary, we
No,
determined has
pretty
the
sure it's
sexiest
today.
voice on earth.
No, I think we're all in the same time. I think we're all in the same day right now.
Yeah, it's past. It's almost 1 a.m. Pacific time.
Well, you don't think that we have any Alaskan or Hawaiian viewers? For shame.
They don't count.
Hey, everyone
Jesus
quiet.
Christ.
We've got a song request.
Eskimo hate. Eskimo
They're not
hate.
Eskimos. Eskimos are up north, you twat.
In Alaska!
Yeah, they're in Alaska, you chick.
Hey, everybody.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Hawaiians. I'm like,
Oh,
Nate,
Jesus
man.
Christ. Everybody
Just-
shush.
Nobody
we
listens
go,
to Zod.
Instead of doing my normal outro and having all of you motherfuckers plug your channel, links are in the description.
Do that.
They are?
Gary, play us out with your hit single, Amber
Yeah,
Rose.
this one.
Oh my god.
That's
it.
Yes!
So, Gary,
Imagine if we could pull again for that shit.
That's the perfect outro right there.
Oh my god.
You can't beauty me.
That's it. You can't get better than that, man. You can't get better than that. That's it.
Did you? Are we still going? Yeah, we're still fucking going.
Oh, we're canceled again. Damn it.
Are you gonna click the button? What are you doing?
Gary, You have
Can
a
I get-
request.
Can I get my balls in your jaws?
No.
Cock rings.
I want your boy Gary to play Amber Waves of Pain.
I cannot. I don't remember how to play that shit, man. I recorded
Okay.
it and it's done. I can't remember.
Now he's gonna learn. Can I put my balls in your jaws?
Yeah.
Okay, now this is important because Zod lied to everybody. Like, my link is in the description. Husky's link is there. Squirrel's link is there. Then it says, hilariously, and I can't believe he did this for only one person, absent panelists, and it's only Perp.
Oh, my Squirrel's in there too on my end.
There you go.
Yeah.
Can
No, but it's
balls in your
jaws.
jaws?
But Justin's not in the description. Gary's not in the description. Keely's not in the description. You lying son of a bitch.
Dude, I'm deeply hurt, man. That's a bummer.
Justin is fine.
No,
What?
okay, so those were all ready-made, and I copy and paste it, so... Yeah.
How about you fucking make it again then?
You have underestimated my enthusiasm, sir, at
So-
literally putting this together in 10 minutes because I had to go pick up my kid.
Right, but when like you went to the
I hope
bathroom,
you feel
you
bad.
could have went in there and been like, "Oh, this is the perfect time to add Keely's link." It's not like I'm gonna type anything in the chat.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, none of us got a shout out, dude. Come on.
Shalana has a stream on Wednesdays.
Hey,
During 8
Oh, there you go.
Pacific. So check it out. I was on
located
there.
behind Pluto, to the right of
Does this
Krypton.
With her
does
and
this
Jenny.
clash with the Perp show on Wednesdays?
A little bit.
That I've been
yeah.
missing because I keep passing out.
He was on hiatus for a while, so I know that he went on air probably she was already on an hour at that point when his show went on, but Perp show is on the same day, so you could divide time. You know.
No, you just have to get 2 sets of earbuds and put one in one ear and one in the other.
But anyways, the long story short,
Sure it is.
check out everybody on this panel. We had a great time. There was like 10 people. Jesus Christ. I had a
Oh,
blast.
Jesus was here?
Yes.
No.
Whoa!
Oh
He's
my
always
God.
here, bro.
He's
No.
gone now.
Ooh, I should have
He's
won.
making
The
another
next person
video.
I plan on having on though is
Sorry,
Neil Breen.
Jesus.
Man. No,
Is
man,
who?
he's always here.
Neil Breen. If you guys don't know who that is, look him up. His movies are fucking magical. That's
As
all.
long
I
as
thought
it's not
Nicolas
Zach
Cage's
Leary.
movies were magical.
No, Nicolas Cage is transcendent. Nicolas Cage is quite possibly a religion.
Whatever, just as long as it's not Zach Leary. Fuck that guy.
Hey, we like Zach Leary over here, guy.
No, we don't. He blocked me for no reason. He can
No,
suck
we
it.
don't know who Zach Leary is.
Tarantino.
Who is that guy?
He's just a random person that Zod likes to talk to. Because he's like, "Oh, you hate PB? I hate PB too."
Yeah, but I mean,
Man, who is
Fuck
this
you,
lame
Zach.
guy?
I love me some PB.
Yeah, not everybody can be as great as Finn Pankoon.
You know
hey,
it, man.
anyways, penis. That is all.